I'm alive.
Everybody.
Hello. Hello.
Alive.
Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and let you know and everybody else in stream that my stream today might be a little bit weird, mainly because my bed is in my living room, right behind me. Because of
why would that make it like weird?
Well, because I don't have very much room to move around. Like it's like my chair is currently touching my bed, which feels really weird, and I can't like move back any further.
Well, why'd you do that?
Why did I do that? Well, because my apartment is semi-flooded because of my neighbors. Their water heater broke and it dripped down into like the fucking foundation shit, and my carpet has to be replaced.
Oh, do you want me to push up the sound fixes?
Sure, yeah. I have
as you can see here.
Yeah. I have a couple things.
A million of these.
I pushed up the tutorial stuff. I also pushed up the nacho change. As long as you have the fixed texture, hopefully that's fine. I also have. I was working on something for funsies. I don't know if this is going to be useful. I don't know if we're going to end up using this on anything at all ever. But if you want to take a look at my screen whenever you get a moment, let me know when that moment happens.
Oh wait, what am I doing? Sorry, I'm looking at your screen.
Yeah. So one thing that I was working on that I don't know if is going to stay is this thing, which looks a little weird. But I was kind of just playing around.
What?
Yeah, I was playing around with making a an arc visualization, like drawing it specifically for things like I was watching someone's gameplay of Void Igo today, and I wanted to try to recreate some of this stuff. So the way that this works and the way that this looks.
Yes, I like this.
If I were to go here and then do like an enemy indicator or attack indicator.
Hello, Jerry.
Just to make
Happy 6-7 to you.
Just to see what this would look like if I were to bring this in and put this somewhere in the level, and then make this render. Sorry, I need to make a better way to preview this. That isn't. Is this?
Yeah.
Oh, it's right here. So. Mainly because there we go, and then I can get rid of the gradient effect, like so. There we go. So I was fucking around with this a little bit, which.
Wait, is there a weird line at the end?
It's the marker, because it allows me to do this.
Yeah.
Which is really cool and fun.
Wait, that's sick.
Yeah, it's very fun. I really like it.
But yeah, I do like that.
Yeah, so this is what that looks like right now. I was just kind of playing around with it. I would like to do the thing where it's got like the spikies and shit.
Oh, the spikies?
Yeah, that's why it's called spike indicator. I haven't done that yet, but.
Do they have ones that look like that? I'm trying to think.
Yeah.
Because I know there's like the circular ones that have the spikes, but I haven't seen the.
Or maybe they.
Like radial ones.
I wonder if they do.
I'm pretty sure the radial ones like just look like that.
I wondered. Let me take a look.
Whatever. I'm playing Void Igo.
You're playing Void Igo? Okay. I was like, I'm just gonna look at the video of the guy who's been playing it. This is the first place that I found it. Was this video by Slippy?
Slippy. Oh, we love Slippy.
Not the same Slippy as the one that makes. Not the same one as from Star Fox or the Melee mod.
If Slippy doesn't play our game, I might just like die.
Yeah, that's okay. Like let's see, where did I pull this inspiration from? There was like a. Something on either this screen or the next one, I think, had it. So there are those that like merge together. Yeah, so that one has the spike. It's the circle.
See, it's circle. It's a circle. Yeah.
I wonder if there are.
So see, that is when you shoot out, when it shoots out projectiles from all directions.
Well, there's this one as well. That is like a spike in that direction, which is an interesting one. This game has so much fun.
Yeah, I think that's more to show. Like,
also, what do you mean the furry titles are better than this abomination? It's just Dante 6-7. It's not even like a crazy one. I don't. What the fuck was that clip? I have no idea what the hell that was. That was insane. Yeah, that's great about the. Sorry, I'm just gonna like skim through this video and look for indicators real quick, because this game does indicators so unbelievably well. Was there? it's also like unbelievably clear what is an enemy attack and what isn't. And that's something that I would like to focus on a lot.
Yeah, we do work on that.
Yeah, I mean, also, we don't need to have, I was mainly adding the... Oh, yeah, there. See?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so those have spikies on them.
I see, so I think that's if there's, like, multiple bullet projectiles.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I think sometimes if there's just one, it'll be similar, but, like, a smaller cone to indicate, like, the accuracy.
Yeah, so this one is, yeah, the barrel explodes, which does damage in the area, and then also there's the spikies.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I don't like those. I don't like how those look. I prefer without the spikies.
I think that their spikies should be a little bit larger, but it makes sense because they're small projectiles.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was just kind of playing around with that, and I think making something like that would be, at least for, also just for like setting it up in the game, like this looks way closer in idea to what it's going to look like than trying to do the weird shit with the polygons.
Yeah.
Also, there's an extra drawing stuff happening here, which is
also the
arc.
I was looking. It looks like for the indicators, the flashing. I don't think it's actually related to like the when the attack's going to go off. I think they just flash in general.
Let's
like the indicators.
See. There was an indicator for like a charge or something that I wanted to look at. Yeah, those are just kind of flashing because they're always doing damage.
Yeah, see, they just like flash.
What about the one where the boss is about to? Yeah, I guess it just flashes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
Which I think is, I think we should do something like that, so that way everything flashes at the same time. See how like everything's flashing at the same time.
I know there's that weird clip.
I think it's more to, I think it's more to have contrasts instead of like indicate when the attack's actually gonna go off.
Fair enough. I will say that there's a couple of...
Which I do think is maybe more important.
I also think that we don't... One, I don't want to just outright copy them. I think there are ways that we can improve on this, and there are ways that we can do it in our own style that's a little bit, you know, cool and intuitive.
Not having the ugly spikes.
Yeah, well, some of the spikes are, like, not ugly. But, yeah, the ones on the barrel were kind of ugly. The teensy tiny ones.
Tutorial 3. 21 con.
Yeah. Hopefully it's all just UID changes.
So I want to accept incoming change or
what are you doing? Did you pull? Did you unstash? What are you?
I pulled.
You pulled.
So
incoming is the one from me. Yeah, I would say probably.
Yeah,
unless you changed. Did you change anything on tutorial 3?
Not really, no.
Okay. I mean, even if you do, the adding it back in is like not difficult. It's all just contained in one object. So, well, it's all contained in 2 objects. I lied. Pretty sure it's flashing for visual clarity in the Mystic Chaos. Yeah, it is. I think that we do need a little bit more clarity because, like, one thing, and I'm gonna show this again because I already talked to JW about this. Why did this? Weird. Certain enemies are really, really clear what they're going to do, and certain enemies are just terrible at it. Grounded guy is pretty good now. Flying guy is pretty good. Flying shooting guy, sorry.
Yeah, I feel like the flying shooting guy could even use like the thing that you just made to show like the accuracy.
Yeah.
Maybe try it. Maybe we don't. But
why is my window up there? That's weird.
Something is messed up here. Why does it say?
It's so what's happening there? I'm gonna share my screen I'm gonna share your screen really quickly, just so you'll know what I'm looking at. So the gray text that's there that says navigation polygon.
Yeah.
That's just Visual Studio Code attempting to like show you what a resource is, but because you're resolving a merge conflict, it's like fucking up a little bit.
Okay. So this one I don't see. Here.
What is card select? Oh, that's the new name of the thing. So 196, where it has the node name room based component.
Yeah.
You could just rename that to be card select room.
Yeah.
Because it's
okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, so if I go ahead and spawn in, like eyeball is pretty damn clear. I do agree with the feedback that we got yesterday of they kind of suck to fight against a little bit.
Yeah, I need to figure that out.
That's okay. The fight group respawn, this guy fucking sucks indication wise because it's not clear, which is fair.
Yeah, it just needs to be like bigger.
Yeah.
I think also you should be more like the bullets from Gungeon, where he has like a big charge up and then he just kind of like goes ridiculously fast until he hits something.
Yeah. Rather than like a rear back and then like a dash for a few seconds, he should just like
because his dash is like slow enough that it's easy to dodge.
I actually just accidentally dodged it.
Yeah, I feel like if it was like maybe he can aim towards you a little bit more accurately, but his charge up is longer and he moves like much faster.
Yeah. So this guy's
because you can also pretty easily dodge it by just moving far enough away that he slows down.
We could also have an area in front of this guy. I don't know what we want to do with him, but or if we just want him to be his flashing self. The shooting guy is fine for now.
Yeah, he's fine. He could be a little better. But...
Yeah, he could be. But yeah, those are like the main enemies. The worm, not great.
Yeah, the worm just needs work.
Yeah.
I don't know what we can do to improve.
So yeah, do you want me to work on this, or do you feel like there are other things that I could be putting my time into that's better? I think there's a few things that I could be doing. There's a few I could be working on this and make this like more usable.
I mean, what are the other things that you could be doing that you're thinking?
So if I take a look at the obsidian. So the shop doesn't have certain items in it, like the keys aren't in there, money isn't dropping from enemies. Things like loot pools would be really nice.
Yeah,
I'm actually gonna let me toss some of these down actually because I just loot.
What I would say is, yeah, loot and coins would be great, and also another thing is setting it up so I can easily make or test the rain area, because I want to do that for the trailer, or multiple areas.
Oh yeah.
The wood area too, because I want to get the trailer.
I can actually do that. Yeah,
very easy way for me to. I mean, I could just like open up one of the rooms and spawn a bunch of enemies, but that's like.
That's fine. Yeah, no, I can do that.
Make it feel like the actual game.
Yeah, I can do.
I feel like it's probably not too hard.
Yeah, I'll add this to the debug menu actually, because the new debug menu is so sick to add things to that I can do that quickly.
Yeah, because I keep thinking like, oh, I'm just gonna record some gameplay for the trailer today. And it's like, oh, I don't want to deal with the rain room.
Yeah.
Rain
oh,
area.
I guess for anyone who's curious about things that have happened since Sunday's stream. There was the card tutorial stuff we were working on that I was working on. Did I do that on stream actually? I think I did. I don't remember.
Yeah, you did. I'm pretty sure you did. I'm still in Video Vision, but actually
yeah, so this works. So whenever I walk into this, it'll say select a card. It says hold R to start selection. And the reason for that is because that is the wrong text element. Let me kill this really quickly and then I'll fix that. This is supposed to be I changed this so that this you can put an input action in here. So activate card, and then if I go back in here, now it will have the glyph of the card or the thing, which is really cool. And if I let go, it will stop me from picking any card other than the auto turret, and it will finish the tutorial. And then if I run back out and back in, it doesn't reactivate, which is really cool. See, there were a couple of things that I changed. I don't remember.
No, I didn't want to close this break. I wanted to close VS Code. New merge.
Oh,
there we go. I'm pushing up my changes.
To make his charge attack have a small homing towards the player, it looks easy to dodge with how long his charge up is. Maybe. For the charging guy, we'll have to play around with it. Maybe make him charge faster, but we could honestly have the same charge up time probably.
Maybe. I think he's just too slow.
Yeah.
is the main issue.
I'm trying to think about like interesting things. We also don't have to make them super interesting because we do have other levels that we can do. Like
yeah,
we want the enemies.
I do also like the bullet guys in Gungeon. How if you shoot them, they like stop.
Yeah.
That is one nice thing that I like. I don't know how we could do that.
What do you mean we don't know how? Like, do you mean design-wise or like development-wise?
Like I don't know how I would do that development-wise. I'm sure it would.
Oh yeah, it'd be really easy because you would just inside of the charging component or like the charging state, you would just listen for the damage signal.
Yeah.
And if it has sufficient knockback or whatever, it would just like pop away. It would be like, ah, fuck, I'm done. Oh, what are those prints? Are those my prints?
Sorry, I forgot to get. No, that's me for when I was testing the sound.
Okay,
that's my fault.
Hello, chat. Hello, Mestron888. How you doing? Sorry, let me focus on this.
So you could probably just delete those, or I'll.
Do what?
Oh, the mana bar is like.
Oh yeah, fuck. Because yeah, we didn't decide what we wanted to do with that actual card, but the mana bar is down there. Yeah.
Oh, also this.
Oh fuck! I didn't put it in the group. Fuck me. You can fix that pretty easy. Wait, no, it is in the group.
What? That you do.
It is in the. Oh no, it's not in the group. Fuck me. Yeah, I mean we can we can figure it out once we figure out what we want to do with the mana bar and the deck draw thing. Debug menu level, or I guess it's called a room menu for some reason. Maybe a room, force in room. Yeah, okay, 6. This is where I would want it. So now I want another thing, which is
why does it say hold R to start select?
Because I changed the text and forgot to change it back when I was showing you how cool it worked. Okay. You can change it yourself.
Nope,
you go into
tried pressing R.
Yeah, because that's the restart button, and you have the thing you held down R for a second.
I still have 2 title screen.
Yeah. If you go into tutorial 3, you can change that text yourself to make it use activate card instead of redeal. Because it's really easy to change. Let me detach this script. Actually, is this just a control script? Kinda. Yeah. Attach script. Attach script. Level debug.
Could you put a little arrow above the auto turret that kind of like points at it?
Yeah.
It goes like up and down.
I could.
The like outline, I like can't see the outline.
Yeah, no, that's
I mean,
fair.
I know it's there, but it's like, if I was reading this, I would be like, what am I doing?
Yeah, I can do that. We can also have it pop a message at the end that's just like, yay, or some shit.
Yeah, that would also be nice.
What am I doing? Where am I? Do we have a list of all the levels? Level manager, you have all the infos, right?
Oh. No. Why am I? Very nice.
Is this a you thing? Seems like a you thing, hope.
I got stuck on a wall, yeah.
Okay. Does this not have...
I don't know why, wait, I don't know why it would have messed this room up. Like, I don't think you touched this room.
I didn't.
Because I didn't push up this room.
Is the exit... Is it going to the wrong exit?
Maybe.
Because it looks like it was going to the bottom left exit.
Because there's only one exit on that room.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think it's tutorial 5.
Very descriptive name. Definitely not tutorial 5.
4.
Or data. Okay, yeah, so I got this.
Yeah, for some reason the one exit got moved down there,
Weird.
and I don't know why.
You know, I did not touch that room. Yay.
Very funny.
Debug. So I have access to all of these, which would be level manager dot floor data. This is a dictionary of level floor and floor info. So I can do some shit like floors. I don't know if this would be an array. What do you got actually? Floor.
Oh, hi Moaz. Hop on deadlock? Okay, sure, I'll hop on deadlock.
floor dot. What you got for me? Level floor info. Do you have a name? You do have a name. Set floor ID, level floor flash. I think that's probably fine. I can do some shit like this. I can do what if I just print floor? I wonder what that'll do. Oh, hi, longtime YouTube enjoyer, first time Twitch viewer. Love your content on YouTube. It's been super helpful. Thank you. I would like to make more content at some point.
Never happening.
It's never happening. No, that's not true. Probably. Hopefully.
There we go, that's better. Now it draws my card.
Floor. Level manager. Sorry, where are you a constant to find somewhere else? You are, I think. Fuck. Const floor info. Or sorry, level floor. This. How do I get a string from an enum type? I do like a little floor dot. Level floor.
Hello, Ginger Dad. How are you doing?
Use
You're doing quite good.
Floor, I think would do that. Let's find out.
Oh, I can't teleport back to this teleporter either. That's another thing you can do if you have time.
Sure. What is the... Why can't you teleport back to that?
I don't know.
Is there a teleporter in that room? Like, actually?
Yes, there is.
Yeah.
There is one here. It just isn't showing up for some reason. I can check to see if it's like actually here or not.
Yeah. Your console's going fucking crazy right now.
Yeah,
The way it's like zooming up to the top and then unzooming is like insane. Love the RuneScape music you just got as a message. I'm gonna tell the person the bad news.
What's RuneScape?
Yeah, this motherfucker has never played RuneScape. Which RuneScape song is it? I'm gonna take a guess. Is it Flute Salad?
Yeah.
Let's fucking go! No, I can't fucking hum that. Never mind. I can't imagine it. I can like kind of hear it in my head. Flute Salad's so good.
That's weird. Yeah, I don't see the teleporter.
Yeah, it might have just ended itself. It's something that I'll figure out. Do you have the rooms?
166.
Mm.
Oh, I see. It's just giving me errors. Player attempted to.
Yeah, every time you clicked. Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. What YouTube know? The demo page is officially live.
Oh yeah.
Oh, on Steam? Yes, please.
There you go.
Give me that.
There you go. By the way, Laughing Umbra. Yeah, it's on Steam.
What is it called again?
I'm working on it with this guy here. He's the artist. I'm the programmer.
It's called something.
Orb.
Called. I don't remember what it's called.
Oh no. Well, you can just check your wish list, right?
Orb.
And check your most recently wishlisted game.
Yeah, this is true.
Right?
You guys get to see my wish list.
Your wish list is public. Anyone can see it anyways.
Here we go. Demo, download. Give me that. 250 megabytes. I've got that kind of storage. I don't know, my stream's gonna die because I'm installing something.
Wait, 250 megabytes? Weren't they making a game in Unity?
Yeah.
Okay, that's kind of impressive. I didn't know that Unity could package games down to that small of a size.
Yeah. We hate Unity. I mean, sorry. My bad.
I mean, that's like kind of true, kind of not. There's a lot of things I don't like.
Yeah, we hate Unity.
It's mainly
we
the company.
Hate games made with Unity. Well, actually, it depends on the game, but
yeah, I mainly don't like Unity, the company. Unity actually has a lot of really good things that I wish that we had in Godot, that I've kind of emulated in Godot. You actually have no idea. One of the main things that you've been using is actually not entirely based off of the Unity concept, but it's something that's available in Unity by default, which is pretty cool. Which is the Git component stuff. turned you into a Unity developer.
Yeah. Our Steam page looks amazing. I did not make that art.
Well, no, you have. You did. You made most of it,
well,
right?
no. Not the cover art. If you're talking about like the art in the game, yes. I did make that. The Steam cover art I did not make any of.
Text is equal to level 4.
I do need to redo the Steam page in general too. I need to get some newer GIFs in there and some other stuff. Because the description's probably a little outdated at this point.
God, I wish I enjoyed RuneScape more. Because now I've got like a RuneScape song stuck in my head. Question. Is RuneScape's music allowed to be used on stream? It doesn't matter. I don't monetize my streams. Who fucking cares?
I'm pretty sure it's not, or it is fine. Because I think I based this playlist, or the playlist that I have, is just like a whatever copyright free playlist that I just added more stuff onto because I don't care about copyright. They can sue me if they want.
What's the song? Oh my god.
Only 40 days until release.
Sorry, I'm gonna scroll through this really quickly, guys. So I hope.
Oh, didn't you say you were just getting going to start sending stuff to like creators and stuff? How's that going, or have you done that yet? I'm scared.
Oh my god, what the fuck is the
that.
song? What is it called?
What
it's
song?
not Lumbridge, is it? Lumbridge doesn't have a song called Lumbridge, does it? No, it doesn't. Hold on, I need to pause my music and I needed to like lock in for a second. I'm gonna hate this to do this. I know the chords of the song better than I know the actual song name. It's
we might have to like kill you.
It's
that might be like the most evil thing I've heard today.
I want to say it's definitely a Mixolydian. It might be C Mixolydian RuneScape. Oh my god, I hate that. I want to pull this up really quickly. I just want you to look at my recommended search, which is the last time I searched this was RuneScape Mixolydian. Is it going to pull up the song that I want? Please. Is it just Newbie Melody? It might be Newbie Melody. Newbie. Yeah, it is. Okay, sick. That's insane.
Did you pull my changes, Twin?
No.
Okay.
Did you pull my finger, Twin? I don't know, man. You never got hit with that one because you were homeschooled. No, never mind. I've met your brother. You hella were hit with that.
Yeah.
Your brother hits you with that now, and you fall for it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so nice not being deafened by the explosions. And they don't sound like they were put in a blender before the sound was exported.
See, there's another one that I want to get, which is Flute Salad.
So was that you that made them play 8 times in a row?
Yeah.
I'm not like...
Yeah, I think it was before we got a new explosion sound.
Like, I just... Oh, that would make sense.
I think it was using the candy corn explosion sound, and so it was like that made sense because it was very quick.
So it was like quieter. Yes. Now that you say that, that makes sense.
Yeah.
It just never got removed, and I didn't notice it somehow. That makes more sense because I was like, why would you do that?
Yeah. I wish I could sort this by most downloaded song from this, but I'm trying to think of any other ones that I know off the top of my head.
Also, good night, Ginger Dev, if you are still here.
Give me a RuneScape song real quick.
No,
you
don't play RuneScape. I don't know. What if we pretended to go to bed, but actually we played Deadlock instead of streaming?
Nah.
Okay.
Okay, I think I'm gonna call that. I'll just get the 2 RuneScape songs. I'll add more later.
Yeah.
RuneScape.
Anything but working on Dante's 9.
All right, buddy. We're putting you in a blender. Oh shit, dude. These don't have the properties on them at all. Yeah, there it is. It goes hard.
And maybe I do want the... I think I want the...
What does this look like on stream? Oh, it's like fucked up and evil. Because it doesn't have the
I want the
title or the thing. What's up? What do you want?
I think I want to have the mana pickup room be separate from the... Because I want to have like an example room that's like a regular room except it's with the dummy enemies. But I think I want it to be separate because at this right now, I thought about combining them, but I have a feeling that people are just going to run right past the sign and go shoot the guys and not know what they're doing.
I'll be honest, I don't hear what you said.
That's okay, don't worry about it. I'm kind of just like talking to
yeah. So I'm just I was just letting you know that like if you were looking for feedback from me, like you're not getting it right now.
Yeah, no, I'm kind of just thinking. Yeah. The only thing is that I have to make a regular dummy that also drops the soul pickups. But I can just duplicate the moving dummy and make him not move.
Evil. Reset game? Yeah, I guess it's reset game that I want to do, right? Yeah. I don't know if this will work, but maybe it will. I guess we'll find out. No, I don't think so. Okay, there we go. Let's see if this works. So this should be able to...
Making a stationary dummy.
What? Why?
Because...
Just like chop his legs off.
Because I want to have the soul drops and like the...
Wait.
Like him dying, but I don't want to... But I don't want him to move.
Oh, do you want him... Wait, because you could just use the original dummy and then just like put the drop thing as a child of him.
Yeah, but then he doesn't like die.
I guess, yeah, he'll respawn, but like that could at least show people that like they'll drop whatever whenever they die. No, it's fine. You can do whatever you want. I don't really care that much.
Yeah, because I also added a nice death animation.
Why is this up? You should be hidden. What the fuck?
Can I just kill dummy movement? Will you like just work if I just kill you? And tile navigation agent and raycasts and state machine.
Bro said, yeah, I'm gonna kill everything. You can just fucking kill everything. You can kill input driver as well.
Oh yeah. Hello?
Yeah, me whenever I keep deleting the word instead of the actual node. What am I doing? Give me this thing. Give me this thing. Give me this button. Add these to this shit. Oh, that like totally worked. I lied, by the way. It didn't. I should also.
I also need to increase the health of the regular dummy because he has like no health. I'll give you 20, a little less than the regular.
Wait,
and the moving dummy, but
who did this? Whatever. I'll figure that out in a second. If it shows back up, I'll check it again. But oh, reset state does things that I don't want it to. Where's that floor called?
I think I'll still keep the teleporter tutorial here. So it'll go manager soul drop to the teleporter, which will teleport you to another room, which then when you go into the next room, it'll be the example room, which will drop a chest, which will give you a sticker pack and maybe a card pack. which then you take to the forge and learn how the forge works. I think that sounds good.
Yeah, that sounds
I
great.
know you didn't hear what I said, but that's fine.
No, that sounds great. I fuck with that hard, yeah.
I just said.
Chad, should I fuck with that hard?
I know how it is because I don't listen to what you say.
Yeah, pretty much. Oh, dude, that worked. I loaded into level rain, except not really. I lied. I'm a liar. It's just not loading me in.
Bro lied. It's
Why
over.
not loading me in?
Where no load?
Oh, because reset states. Oh my god.
What the freak?
Lytic.
Freak Lytic.
Wait, this. Wait,
Hello,
what?
BZ. How are you doing?
Loop game calls reset state? For fucking what reason?
What?
Oh, I guess. What? What the fuck? Oh my god, what am I doing here? So, no, not in combat, constant shake, set speed, current time, speed run time, remember, sure. Set. Fuck. Yo, chat, does anyone know what I'm doing here? Anyone know what the fuck I wrote here? Even the greats are not infallible. Infallible? Infallible.
Infallible. Me when I fall.
Oh shit. Why did you... Generator rooms. Sub 1. Oh. I see what's going on here. This is some old code that should not exist. I think. Yeah, because this is the old code. This is back whenever the tutorial and the everything was all in one. But that's not what we're doing anymore. So I should just save our first room is generated rooms dot front. And I can do enter room first room. And you're going to be pissed because you don't actually know you're a room based component because front does not return the type. Correct? Correct. And I can kill
these guys.
This.
Death is so satisfying. Oh, this still drops a chest.
Also, hello, Benny BB. How you doing?
It's fine.
There we go. That works. Check this out, JW.
Let's go.
You can go level.
Yeah.
Select level, which is this one down here.
Okay.
And then you can choose flesh.
Does it generate the level if we have other rain areas?
Yes, it does. It will it actually runs the level generation. You can see that this is different each time.
Oh, okay. So it changes it to a new level. Okay.
Yep. And it even has a new seed each time. So
okay,
you can see. Yay. Yeah, and since there's only one rain room, there's no exits. This is the entire thing. It's actually going to give errors in the console as well because it can't place certain rooms.
Okay.
So it's upset.
But it doesn't break.
No, it doesn't break. It's just that's like one of the warnings that I have so that if something goes wrong, we know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Man. Wah. Okay, so that's done. What was the other thing that we were talking about me doing? Loopholes shop, sorting cards, enemy indicators. You said something about teleporter fixes. What do you need about teleporters again?
They're broken like a bunch. I don't know how they're broken. Sometimes they don't show up. Sometimes they... I don't know, man. They don't work.
So how are we spawning teleporters again? I don't remember. Room base template room. Base room template. There we go. Found it. So if I take a look, how are we spawning teleporters at all, actually? This one doesn't even have one. Room 1 probably has one. Okay, yeah. So the teleporter's just here, and then... Yeah, I remember. Did you add the... You add, the thing with the init function where it, like, adds it to the room and does some shit?
Oh yeah, that should be there.
When did you push that up? You might have pushed it up after we started streaming.
Oh, that I probably did just push that
Okay.
up. Yeah.
That's okay. Dante's 9. Get status. Yeah, okay. Let me open up Visual Studio Code and I'll do a quick commit. My stream title's absolutely horrible, by the way. Okay, Moaz. Shouldn't you be like, I don't know, losing a deadlock game? Deadlock? Shouldn't you be focused on that deadlock game you're losing right now?
Shouldn't you? Oh, okay, now I can teleport back and forth.
Yeah, it's because the teleporters free themselves sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay.
Yeah, it's because whenever it generates the level, because the teleporters were like a thing that got put in right before the playtest. The way that does it is they just have like a 50% chance of freeing themselves.
Oh, okay, but it's still. Oh, I see. So let me. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, because of the thing that we were doing in init,
yeah.
it registers it as a teleporter room, but then whenever the level actually loads, it frees itself, which just needs to be fixed. Yeah, it's just a couple things that are...
I'm banned till tomorrow.
You're banned till tomorrow? What the fuck did you do? You forgot to go to the internet store before you fucking queued up! Dumbass. Also, no, I didn't shit my pants. No. No, I didn't shit my pants. Motherfucker.
Most normal big screen.
Not your internet's fault, actually? Oh, did you say mean things to people in Deadlock? What did you say? No, they wouldn't ban you for that. Never mind, I've played Dota. They don't ban you for that shit. They don't care. I've played 6+7 with Kabir, so I know that they won't ban you for stuff like that. Yeah, pretty much, JW. Thanks for that. Elite Ball reference, yeah. My favorite Elite Ball reference is a reference to the guy in 4+2 who has the most insane, like, fucked up mind of all time. Let me actually move this button to the top of the list, because that makes a little bit more sense, because it's a menu button. Is it control? Yeah.
Okay, I did figure out a slightly weird thing that you can do.
What's the slightly weird thing? With what?
With the card selection.
Okay.
If I hold this down and then walk into it, and then use the auto turret, it automatically gets rid of the tutorial. Like, I guess isn't it?
How's that weird?
Issue? I don't know.
Well, also the thing that I thought we were gonna change, or at least maybe is worth changing. I kind of wanted you to finish whatever you were doing with that room. Was the cards would be given to you when you walk into the area.
Yeah, you're right.
Rather than being like you can use that there. Since you could like
also like if you do this,
yeah,
you could just like, and then it's already on that, so it's like weird.
Yes, that's why I think it should give you them whenever you walk into the area.
Okay. So then I guess you could walk back out and do weird stuff, but at that point, that's your fault. Like you have to be intentionally trying to do that. I feel.
Could also just like lock them to not pick any other card until they, like because it's like only locking you when you're in the area, We could just like
I
lock
wouldn't,
them.
I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't always lock that. That'd be.
Alright.
I don't want to like confuse people. Be like, why can't I use cards?
Yeah. Holy shit! Triple Infinity shit pants. Fucking. Nubby's Numberland update 2 like type of fucking statement. Holy shit.
Nubby's Numberland.
Yeah. Shit
Nubby's
pants infinite combo.
Numberland? Bro didn't even call it the right name.
Wait, what did I say?
He said Nubby's Numberland.
Oh yeah, it's Number Factory. Fuck me. Oopsies.
How do you even mess that up?
I don't fucking know, man.
We might have to like.
It's like honestly not the most insane thing. It's like it could have been called Nubby's Numberland in a different world.
No, it couldn't.
I think like half the dimension over would be Nubby's
This is where you're
Numberland.
wrong.
All right, dude. Okay, man. Whatever you say, dude.
Someone needs to make like a Nubby's Number Factory automation game.
Nubby's Numberland, yeah. Level.
That would actually be kind of sick.
Here we go. Okay, that works. Let's.
Another thing about it, are there any games that are like automation games, but also like number roguelites?
What the fuck are you saying to
Like,
me?
I feel like that would be a good combination.
Like
like combining like an automation game with like Nubby's Number Factory or something.
like a tycoon?
I don't know.
Like a Roblox tycoon?
I mean, kind of, but like.
Yeah, like those have existed for
Is
like
this
a
an
decade
idea?
and a half.
Are you stupid?
Me or you?
Yes, I am. I was asking a question if like that exists.
Checked out the
I mean,
Steam
maybe
page and
they
there's a
do.
meow button mentioned. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Check this out. Check this out.
Yes,
This is
there
important.
is.
Hope that's coming through. I don't know.
We need to fix the meow sound a little bit, but
It's a little gross, yeah. I definitely want to get a recording of Callie meowing for the Callie skin. And
Yeah.
also, we have to host that competition. So,
yeah. Even though we're not the first to do it anymore.
well, it doesn't matter for the first to do it. We can autism bait. Yeah. We're gonna hold a competition before the game goes live that whoever has the best meow will be the meow for one of the skins. I don't know. Do you think? Wait, is there
Yeah.
a video of Uni meowing anywhere?
Oh, we could definitely get that. Yeah.
Okay, we
I
should.
could probably just message them and ask
Yo, can you
if we could.
squeeze your cat so it meows so we can have a its sound in the game?
I think he doesn't meow as much because he's like older, but
Yeah.
I've seen videos of him meowing.
It's actually sick that I have this story that I can tell to people if they're ever like, "Whoa, cool shirt." I can be like, "Yeah," because the game I work on, the fucking artist put Uni in the game, and
Yeah.
their merch store guy was like, "You guys want free shirts now?"
It was all me. It was all me.
It
I did
was.
all the work.
That's
Put in the
okay.
work. It was not any work. It was randomly messaging them and getting lucky.
It was already in the game,
did
and you were
not
like,
do
"Yo, can I put your
anything.
cat in the game?" And they were like, "Yeah," and you were like, "Dude, check how fast I did this."
Yeah.
Okay, so teleporter. Oh, let me pull your shit. Hold on. Cool.
I'm pretty sure I think I asked like I think I said that I had made it and that I was asking if I could make like a video about it
I see.
or something. I don't remember exactly what I said, but
Yo, do you want to
because I
like
sent them like a picture
this
of it.
once, please?
It's cool.
Git is like, I tried to pull changes and it was like clean your repository, and then I cleaned my repository, the one file it told me that was like, yeah, there's also this file, and it's like, tell me them both at the same time, motherfucker, evil. All right, let's
Wait,
see what all dies. What's up?
these buttons look different.
Yeah, because you're on the passive star theme, like the default now.
Yeah, I know, but like I just didn't notice it.
Yeah.
Like
It's like more integrated into the editor now or something.
I like it though. I like the little kind of.
The integral
Yeah,
of shit to pant is 1. No fucking shot.
What does that mean? I didn't take calculus.
Or, wait, no, is that called an integral? Or is an integral how you solve it?
Probably.
It's like the area under the curve. I think that's an
Can you teach me
integral.
calculus.
What'd you say?
Calculus stream. Can you teach me calc?
I can teach a couple things about calc, I think, if I remember it.
What's calc short for?
Calculator, I think. Depending
Yeah,
on.
okay, that's what I thought. Just checking.
Like, if I remember this right, if you, let's say you have x squared, if you want to find the derivative of that, There's like some crazy long version that you can do of it, but my teacher was like, we're not going to teach you that because that's stupid. You'll learn about it. He was like, you will learn about it later,
like...
and you will learn about why this works. But for now, the answer is you take this exponent and you subtract it by 1, which just makes it 1, so it just is gone. And then you take that exponent and you put it out in front of the variable, so it becomes 2x. However, we don't care about constants in calculator. Or in calculator.
In calculator?
In calculus.
Calculus.
However, we don't care about constants like this in calculus. Well, actually, do we? Maybe we do. I don't remember.
Moaz,
would it just be 2?
calc?
I think it would just be x, right? Because we don't care about these constants, so it would just be x, so the derivative of x squared is x. Maybe.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
And then also, you always have to have an undefined constant, or like a constant, which just means like whatever the baseline is. I think.
Why are you asking me? I'm not smart. Well, yeah, you're smart, twin.
Derivative calculator. Let's find out. Derivative calculator. Wait, steps. Okay, dude. Yeah, that's great. X squared. X to the power of 2. D over dx is what? It's just x. Oh, no, it's 2x? Okay, so it is 2x. So never mind, you don't get rid of the thing. Which means that if you wanted to take the derivative of x to the power of 3, or like 4x to the power of 3, you would take that down to a 2, and you would multiply that number in there, which means that it would be 12x squared, if I could write that correctly. I think. Which is, derivative is just like how a value changes over time, and like what acceleration something needs to have, or something. Like a velocity going up by an amount constantly each frame would, like its derivative would be whatever the acceleration value is. Yeah, like each time step or whatever the fuck it is in the world. We don't use like, I don't know, time's weird, you know? It's like undefined steps, undefined numbers.
Yeah, I mean time is just kind of like a...
Yeah, the universe is like infinite resolution, but like not really, or something. Kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Man, we are there's someone out there. There's a higher power that's simulating an entire like universe, and we're using it to create ChatGPT, which is fucking insane. Stupid.
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be an issue. JW, can you do me a favor moving forward?
Maybe it depends on.
So can you look at my screen?
Yeah.
So the chests don't. The outline is fucked up because they don't have a padding pixel around them.
I see.
So just like in the future, can you make sure that there's always like a padding pixel?
Yeah.
Thank yous.
Oh, so did you make it do that for all of them?
Yeah, because that makes it like more consistent with the world. Because the thing that happened with Nacho was happening with...
There was an issue with...
There was. We just didn't notice it.
It was? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, I think... yeah, let me check. I'll just go to fucking... indicator sprite? Sprite? Interaction sprite is what it's called.
Did you figure out why it's doing that?
But what?
Like, why it was doing that?
What do you mean?
Like, the cause of it. Like, what?
Yeah. I told you the cause of it yesterday.
I mean, I know it was that, like, because it was doing the thing with the shader, but, like, do you know specifically what in the shader was causing that, not just that it was enabled? Okay.
Yeah, so the whole thing with the shader is, like, whenever we're rendering, we have this, like, box. This is where the texture is drawn. And so, like, if this is our texture that, like, takes up, like, most of the area, whenever it does the outline shader, if it doesn't have the thing in the shader called border clipping fix on, it can't, like, draw this outline that would reach out to here. So it just clips that off. But if you do border clipping fix on, what it does is it moves everything inward 1 pixel so that it has the padding on the outside. But it doesn't, like, the alternative, the better way would be to stretch the pixels, like the vertices out 1 pixel so that you can put the outline on the outside of the shape rather than pulling everything inward.
I see it.
Yeah, and I don't feel like fixing that. If that's a thing that can be fixed, I'm just like, whatever. They got it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, because it's taking up the same, like, physical space. It's just that to have the outline not clip, it just pulled everything in a little bit and like squished it. Yeah. So yeah, the chest does have the issue. It's just something that we didn't really see much because it didn't like move up and down, and we also didn't like zoom in and stare at them a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dante 6-7. I'm gonna fix this because you're not going to ever. What the fuck? Why is this here? Why is there a level back there?
I don't know. It could just be an editor bug.
I'm gonna find out if it's an editor bug. There should not be that back there.
Yeah, that does not seem right. I would guess that is not right.
Yeah, okay, it was just an editor bug. I'm gonna fix the thing that isn't being fixed, which is I'm gonna get rid of the fuck-ass background that's there. The second background.
Yeah.
Sure, second background has hit the start screen. Oh yeah, it's under it's just like a sprite or something. Oh yeah, the sprite. There we go. Okay, so how are teleporters broken again? What are we doing with them? You like added some code somewhere that I told you to add. Teleporter. Yeah. Okay, there it is. Also, did you remove the print statements, or is that something I'm removing?
Oh no, sorry, I didn't. Yeah, you can just. I thought there was another issue as well, but I don't know. I guess just the main menu.
What is this loop doing?
Oh, there's the input thing for the card selection tutorial.
Wait,
I don't know. That's part of the code that I copied, and that one I don't know what that was doing, to be honest.
I think this
so
is trying to look
like,
over it backwards, is what I think it's doing.
I think so. Yeah. Which is weird. I don't know why.
I really don't like the syntax of that. I like really don't like the syntax.
I don't either, but it works. So
I know why they're doing it. It's because you don't want to remove it from the list while you're looping over it, or else you're gonna like end up running out of bounds, or you're gonna do some like weird shit, or you'll skip sounds. But I don't like that syntax because like I would probably have done like recently it sounds.size, and then like mapped the index to like probably bring this out to like that size, and then I would do like size minus I -1, because then that would be size of the list minus, and then if this was the 0th one, you want to subtract 1 so that it ends up being not like out of bounds, and then that gives you the actual index, and then you can just use that there. But it's fine, it works.
Yeah, it works. But yeah, if you throw like a million pumpkins or something like that with a bunch of attack speed, it will not deafen you.
Tragic. Or I mean, good job. Nice.
Yeah.
So what is this doing again? Okay, this is util add self owner room teleporter. Which is false. Room is owners room based components. Yeah. So here's what I'm gonna do. Is I'm going to force. Oh, would it be force persistent? Sure. Set this to false by default. I don't feel like fixing this in the way that makes sense. Oh, that's funny. Something funny just happened there on your screen. I just saw.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess I'm not allowed to run rooms with teleporters in them.
Oh, is that an issue? Like right now?
Yeah.
What room is that?
It's because it's doing level manager.getTree.
What room is it?
.physics frame, which doesn't exist when I run a room 4, tutorial 4.
Okay. that's annoying. Oh, wait. Would that work? I didn't like think about this.
That work? I don't know. Win. Can it be?
That does not work. Tragic.
Oh,
Sad
doesn't work.
and tragic. Because of
Chat, it doesn't work.
chat.
Chat, it does not work.
Oh, because owner isn't defined yet. I see. I see. Register to room. Which I will just do this here. That's gonna do some weird shit though. JW, why did you have to?
What did I get?
Why did you have to do this? What the hell?
Why do you have to make the teleporters not work?
It's actually not really an issue. It's one of these is an issue with the teleporters not working. The other one is because the rooms don't exist in the tree at the correct time. I'm trying to think of how to get around this in a way that's as clean as possible because I don't want it to be gross. I don't want this to cause issues later, and it might. We'll find out. Oops, I ran the wrong scene. Man, I want to play Deadlock.
Or deadlock until you've done your chores.
I want to play. Well, the chores are in Deadlock. That's like I gotta push out the lane. Okay, it looks like that doesn't crash, which is sick. Does it work? I don't know. I don't know if it works. Let's see.
So glad you're alive and waiting for another video from your channel.
Oh no.
I love the way you handle programming.
I don't like that you started reading this
Well, I
message.
got bad news.
I don't
for
like that you started reading this message, you motherfucker.
Because it was funny.
That is funny.
Very funny message. I got bad
Sorry, I'll
news
read that
for
in a
you, though.
second.
Nah.
All I heard was waiting for your next video, and I was like, fuck. I was like, why did you start? Was this a message in your chat? And then I heard that, and I was like, fuck, he's reading something from my chat right now. Fuck me. This guy's a dickhead.
It's okay. He'll upload someday. Sorry, I'm lying. I'm lying.
Why are we lying? Fuck. Or no, that's not lying.
You're
What are you
right. Lying
talking
is so
about?
much fun. You're so
No,
right.
lying is so fucking fun. People don't get that shit. Lying is like the most fun thing ever. How does this thing work? Where does it reveal the teleporter?
Oh, the right side.
Like, does it reveal it? Or,
Oh, wait, no, yeah, because it's an enemy room, so you have to.
oh, you have to spawn and kill an enemy?
Yeah. Maybe. No, because there's teleporters in the room, or not teleporters, so enemy spawners. There you go.
Okay, yeah.
So there it is. Twin.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Where is... So what are these tutorial rooms called? Tutorial 4 is the one here. Yeah, and I'll just like... This is first persistent, and then I will...
Yeah, don't worry about breaking anything in tutorial 4 because I'm redoing it right.
I see something insane that I just saw. Not that insane. What room is this? Just teleport you here.
Tutorial
Okay, I
5.
see. First persistent. So this should make it so that...
I think, I don't know.
Yeah. Oops, that's the close game button. Okay, let me read this. So glad you're live and waiting for another video from your channel. I love the way you handle programming concepts. Thank you. I really appreciate it. It really sucks that I don't make more videos.
Yeah, it really does.
Mainly it sucks for me, but a lot of it comes from the fact that like I think the reason that a lot of my videos people like is because I kind of did them because it was a concept that I cared a lot about. And that's kind of why I haven't made a whole lot of other videos. Why is this drawing so many cards? Why is this drawing so many cards? Why is it drawing cards?
What?
Why am I drawing cards on here?
Oh, it should not. Weird.
Fuck.
Oh wait, did you teleport there?
No.
You just walked in there.
I went from here.
Confused.
Yeah, me
Because
too.
it does set it does set you to being in combat, so that way the little card thing pops up and like you're in combat. But you shouldn't draw cards because I think it's supposed to clear your deck. Yeah.
Okay, maybe I like.
I think
Where's
you
the
skip
clearing area?
past the
Wait.
thing where-
Tutorial. What
I'm
is that
pretty
called?
sure it's in the door. Tutorial 2.
No, this is tutorial 1 or something.
Yeah, tutorial 1. It's tutorial 1, yeah. It's probably dummy room manager.
Is fade area?
Fade area, maybe.
Oh, this is for that.
No, that's for that, yeah.
So not that.
Probably dummy manager. Dummy room manager.
Our areas need to be named. Is there any world? Okay. So what happened, I think, was I teleported past into this, which started the room, but I didn't hit this, which that's funny.
So funny.
Yeah. Okay.
Because yeah, I want like the little scratch thing to pop up so you can see that.
Yeah.
I also probably want to put a sign in there that like gives a little more context, so it's like this is your default attack.
Mm-hmm.
Because right now it's like you click to attack, so like is that the attack that I usually use? Is that like because I mean obviously when it says attack you would assume that that's like the attack that you use for everything, but obviously it's different. Different.
Shit.
Oh, why are there numbers to the
Oh,
right?
don't worry about those. Those work well on the mini map. They're like debugging things, but they don't work on the full map.
I see. That's really funny.
Yeah, it's a debug thing that isn't enabled in the full build, I think. Why are there no teleporters on those rooms? Maybe there are actually. I might. Yeah. I think there might actually be. I don't think it reveals the teleporters whenever I hit F. No, I think it just reveals the shop because the teleporter icon is based on whether or not the room is over. Yeah, so there's the teleporter. I just need to make sure that every room doesn't have a teleporter now. Well, this has an icon, which is a problem. Why does it? Why? Let me think for a moment. Minimap node. Where's this being set? Am I like stupid? Oh, on room entered. On room entered, we see if there is a teleporter. The answer is not always, but maybe, I guess. I thought that this would I thought this would be null if it was a freed node. Oh, that's the boss room. Oh. Room. Wait, what? What room are you? And why do you have a teleporter? You shouldn't. Why is everyone printing? Oh, this. Oops. Yeah, there we go.
I still don't know why sometimes the cards on the main menu just like spin everywhere.
It's probably just some fucked up evil shit that I did. Roommate,
I mean,
no.
really what causes problems.
Roommate, no. Why do you have a teleporter? Oh shit! Wait. Teleporter room is equal to is instance valid. I believe this will do correct things. Hopefully, please, for the love of God, don't crash! Don't crash! Don't crash! Don't crash! Don't crash! Oh shit! Yay! It doesn't look like it crashed. Hopefully. Let's see if it fixes things. This is the start room. LT for teleport. Opens room LF.
Also, video question in your chat since you are determined to read your own messages. You're so independent.
Give me a second. Sorry, I'm like locked in on this. I'm trying to figure out what the hell's going on with. Okay, yeah, I think I fixed it. Okay. Roughly how long has it taken you to get to this point with your game? I really like it. What a difficult question to answer. The overall game has been in development for a year and a half, almost 2 years, right, JW?
Yeah, almost 2 years. I think it was like April when I started it.
Yeah, so almost 2 years. However, I didn't work on the game until April of last year, like May or April of last year. So it's been about a year for me working on it. So the systems, most of the systems you see in game are about a year old, at most. But the art, some of the art is as old as 2 years. Some of the art is as old as like a week ago.
That's crazy.
Or today, or yesterday. What's crazy? Why'd you say that was crazy?
It's been almost 2 years.
Yeah, it has been.
It still sucks.
That's true. It does still sucks.
It does still sucks.
Mm-hmm. Okay, teleporters are fixed, hopefully. Asterisk, they might not be, but like let's hope that they are. Teleporters are broken. All right, what else? What else do we feel like I should work on? What do we want to do with the card draw handler? This thing, like the.
Oh, that. It definitely needs to be a little lower if it's gonna be down there. Also, it is like really tiny.
Yeah, I made it smaller because
like it should be the same size as the other cards. Like I think it was fine before.
Okay, I don't know, something about it felt wrong. I didn't really like it too much less like before, but.
Okay. Well, I'll try to make it a little bigger with the bar down there. Another thing is the bar should hide when you're out of combat now that.
Oh, does it not?
Yeah,
you're right.
Not. So it just sits there and it's like
yeah.
And I think with that we should also make it just automatically fill up when you are out of combat.
Should you make what fill up?
In the mana bar.
Oh yeah, I'm fine with that.
Yeah. Since we're already hiding it.
Let's see. Let's go ahead and go into the health bar and smooth forest bar, but this is actually mana bar. I'm gonna call this mana bar. Although, what is texture wrecked and what are you doing?
You sound like you're putting yourself to sleep.
Jesus. Is that about my music or is that about like my voice?
Probably. I mean, yeah, we both always sound like we're tired, but that's just normal.
Let's
I don't care. I'm getting stuff done.
Are you? Good on you, man.
He doesn't know I'm scrolling Instagram right now.
Oh shit. How are we hiding? Equipment slot. What are you doing? Man. All of this.
Oh yeah, it's like really bad.
Oh no, it's mainly
There's
just
some weird
this,
stuff
I
going
think.
on there.
Show or hide in combat pool. Whatever, dude. Surprise,
That
bitch.
was I had to add that because it wouldn't actually hide properly or something. It was because I remember now. It was because before you were modulating it to transparent, which didn't actually hide it, which means that the shader, the hole punch shader, ignores the modulate, so it would still show up on that when it tried to get the texture behind it or something. So I had to actually hide it instead of just making it transparent.
I see. I just copied some code. I actually don't remember what code I copied. So what does this do? Slot, hide slot, between to opacity, that. Oh, you were talking about the other block of code, not this. I see.
Yeah.
Also, can you look at my chat, please? The funniest fucking message just came through.
I hate Godot. What are you doing here?
Yeah, how did you get here? That's really fucking funny, though.
Shouldn't you be like playing Unity?
Playing
Supermarket
Unity?
Simulator?
Yeah, shouldn't you be playing Unity? Shouldn't you be what the fuck was that sound?
Shouldn't you be buying Adobe products?
Ew. Don't be doing that. Not even a Unity user should be buying Adobe products. I hate Godot. It's so fucking funny though. Let's see. Instead of slot sprite, I can just do like self, right? Yeah. You know what? Hide slot is like a weird thing, but like I'll just call it hide bar instead of that. Alright, what character are we porting to Rivals 2, by the way? Are we putting, we need to port, like, I'm gonna port Game & Watch from Melee into Rivals 2, I think.
It's lame.
I mean, what? Why?
It's lame.
Why is that lame? How's that
I still
lame?
don't understand how Game & Watch works at all.
What do you mean you don't understand how he works? What is there to understand? What's the...
I don't know how he works.
How are you confused? Where is it? Where's the confusion?
I don't know.
Okay. I mean, that's fair, I guess. Like, you can be a dumb motherfucker, but whatever. Why is this not, shouldn't this show up whenever I have cards in my hand? Weird.
Shouldn't what show up?
The bar.
Yeah.
Ooh, something is not incorrect.
How are you setting it?
Uh,
Show or hide?
Based off of this, off of global stats combat change. Self.visible is false. I see. That's the problem. That's one of the problems. That's a problem. Probably not the problem.
Yeah, I don't know how that works, to be honest, so don't ask me.
That's okay. I can tell that that's your code that was written that I just removed because it said self.visible equals false instead of just visible equals false. I don't...
Yeah, I didn't think about that one, did I?
It's okay. I mean, you do that a few times where you just like add like a self dot and then something, but it doesn't really matter. It doesn't make any difference. It's just I preferentially don't do self dot.
Because you were doing weird stuff to change the visibility of that, and then I had to go in and change it, so it got like really messed up and weird. So it's actually your fault. That's weird.
No, I agree, like completely. Why
But that's okay.
I hate Godot. He's such an S tier message, man. That's fucking funny.
Wait, I just realized.
What you realized?
Oh wait, because it doesn't set a seed, the tutorial always has the same seed, so you always get the same loot from the same chest.
Almost. I can tell you where that isn't true if you want.
Where?
Start a level and then go to the tutorial.
Oh, okay, yeah. But if you just start the tutorial without starting.
Yeah, it'll always be the same seed. But otherwise. But yeah, I think we want the chest to give a specific thing anyways, so.
Yeah, but we don't want it to be the same seed, especially if we're starting a run directly after.
Yeah.
Although I guess we would probably teleport them to the starting area. I don't know how we do it.
Yeah, something like that. I'm like thinking about this. Hold on. Why is this not where I want it to be? I need to move this down. Oh shit! Why are you up like that? not the same amount of spacing here and here, is it? Maybe it is, actually. Let me see. If I add extra mana, player, relic, soul potion. Okay, so it does grow upwards, not that. Which fine, mayhaps. Oh, that looks very funny. It needs to be over a little bit. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this. This is funny, though.
About what?
Long mana bar next to short deck.
Yeah, that does look a little interesting. I mean, it would look just as weird the other way, too. But I mean, if we had the little card, too.
What if it was above the deck, like right here?
Kind of hate it, but like, it's just so close to the side of the screen that you have to look so far over to see anything.
It's also very thin. I wonder
yeah,
if it would
maybe
be
if we
better
made
if
it
it was,
bigger.
yeah, if it was what if we turned it into a deadlock mod?
What?
Fed Mina. There we go, dude. Fed
Yeah,
Mina.
it looks so stretched and weird.
Yeah.
Maybe like a little less, like 32, yeah. Even like that much, yeah. Still kind of hate it.
Yeah. I don't know what to do with it, to be honest.
I mean, maybe it was better before, I don't know.
I hope not.
Above.
I got rid of all the code that handled it, so.
Why?
I'm just kidding. I actually made some changes because
I was like, why would you do that?
I kind of did, kind of didn't. I would have to recreate a couple of things, but I made it better to work with right now. So.
Okay. That would, yeah.
Don't be rude. They can be rude. It's fine. It's funny sometimes. You know. Plus, we get to like point and laugh if someone's like actually rude and says something mean. Like if someone pops in here and goes, "Yo, you should check out my game made in Unreal Engine. It's a 2D game," then we get to like point and laugh at them. I don't know what to do with this fucking mana bar though. I really don't. I really, really don't.
Ping everybody in my server and ask them.
Yeah. Oh fuck. Wait, no. I had a poll that I wanted you to ask people in your server, but I don't remember it. Give me a sec.
Forget.
Oh, it was something funny, I think. Can you... I don't remember. On Discord polls, can you make it so people can't see the results until the poll is over, or no?
I don't think so.
That would be cool. Let me see, create poll. No. Damn. I was gonna say, because it'd be kind of cool. Oh! A mob vote. We should do a mob vote. We should do a... like some sort of something like how Mojang does it, where we show like really
No idea.
we code,
Really cool designs.
we code and create, we make it so that it all works. 3 really cool designs, and we ask people which one do they like the most. That's the one that gets added to the game, and then we remove the other 2.
Deleted.
Yeah, the other 2 just are gone forever.
Other 2, yeah. That'd be kind of fire, actually. Wait.
Okay.
Looking.
I don't know what to fucking do right now. What else do we... If you die when fucking Sprite gets stuck halfway flipped, is that real? I don't know what that does. I don't know if that's true. Enemy indicators description with hovering... Yeah, okay, I remember that. Not follow seconds. Okay, you know what? Let's code an enemy. How about that? Do we have an enemy that can be coded right now?
You could mess with the big golem guy.
Big golem
I
guy?
think he has the art in the game. I probably want
yeah.
to redraw him at some point, but if you want to like just use his art to do
This
something
guy.
cool,
What did we wanted? We wanted to... Yeah. What do we want to do with them?
Do whatever you want with him. I mean, I had some ideas originally, but I don't know if those are even good ideas anymore.
Where's your enemy designs document?
Oh, I forgot that was even a thing.
Enemy ideas. I don't know.
isn't there somewhere
Oh,
twin?
armor worm, burrow, air burst sniper, air laser sniper.
You
Basic
find it,
flank
yeah.
platform.
Yeah.
Big
these, like,
arm
kinda
throw
suck, I'm
guy.
not gonna lie. Yeah.
Runs towards player position slowly. Platform movement.
I don't know why I thought this was a good idea. It kind of looks terrible, but at least you can kind of like get an idea of ideas.
Let me actually look at our. I'm gonna do something, which is I'm gonna open up the enemy spawn menu, and I'm just gonna look at all the enemies that are in there and see which ones are not actually like in use at all. DPS dummy. Oh, the eyeball also needs some changes. The fire golem's not in use. These three are the same enemy, kind of. Flying guy's a thing.
Yeah.
Ground enemy fire's a thing. Ground
Yeah,
enemy
he like
poison isn't
the original
really...
idea was he would like throw his arms and then kind of like drag them back to him.
Yeah, back to
Like they would be connected with like a kind of energy beam thing.
Magma slime is a thing. Spider enemy isn't a thing.
But I honestly don't even know if that's a good idea.
Actually, most of these are things.
Yeah,
mhm,
most of them are. But we do need like a big enemy that's kind of like big and slow and tanky.
Yeah, I'm thinking about how we want to implement that. Because okay, your messages are getting a little bit annoying. I'll be honest, but maybe like
This guy thinks he's so
like
tough.
20% less funny. Or yeah, whatever you think is funny, take like 20% off of that, and you might be funny again. Because right now it's it's just kind of words. Let's see, because this guy could have or wait, what about an enemy that buffs others? Do we have art for that?
No, but you could just use the golem and I could draw
Use the
something.
golem? I don't want to use the golem. I don't want to look at this motherfucker.
I mean,
I don't want to look.
we could do something like the wizard guy in Gungeon where he like hides in a corner and buffs an enemy, and then you have to go chase him down and kill him.
Yeah. Fuck it. Or Skelly V2
Maybe
is
like
the
that
enemy
one.
I'm using. Do we have an enemy like
Okay.
template?
Enemy template?
No, we don't. That's okay. I'll just like
no, it's just like base enemy.
I'll just like grab one. Who am I
Yeah.
using as a template?
I'm staring at my screen.
Probably the ground guy. Enemy fire.
Maybe.
I think he'd be a fine enough enemy to use as like a basic health reactive spawner. What the fuck is this? What is health reactive spawner? Is this something I did, or is this something you did? This is something you did.
That's mine.
I see.
I'm pretty sure that's just like a on death spawner. Or maybe it can be both. I think it's both on death and on hit. You can change it if you want.
It is just health empty right now.
Okay. Pretty sure I had it be on hit at one point. Maybe I'm going insane. Certainly possible.
I think it's that one. Yeah, I think you're going insane.
Yeah.
Okay, let's duplicate this into move duplicate to shit. New enemy. Do this, and I will do. What would he be called? What shall you be? I don't want to just call it like ground enemy wizard. That would be pretty funny if I did though, but
That would be pretty funny.
what is a wizard to a cat? Like, what would a cat look at and be like, this is a wizard?
Turtle.
What?
I don't know.
What the fuck? What do you...
Just thinking words, you know.
A rabbit? Maybe a rabbit? An auto feeder?
An auto feeder.
It's kind of funny.
I mean, trying to think.
This man got evaporated. This man didn't get evaporated, by the way. I don't know where the fuck their messages go. I didn't do shit to them, by the way. Like, you can actually go back in the stream. I don't think my cursor ever left my main monitor. That motherfucker just disappeared.
I put them in a timeout and it killed their messages.
Oh, did you do that in my chat?
Yeah.
I see. Okay. Yeah, JW over here is the one that's policing. Hehe. Let's see. Ground. I'll just call it like ground.
Nah,
wizard.
bro was just like rage baiting.
Call it, like-
and horribly failing.
Flame wizard.
kinda
Or
funny.
like. Oh my god, I can't. I'm just gonna call it Fire Wizard. I'm sorry. Whatever.
No, it's over.
It's called Fire Wizard. There's nothing you can do about it.
It's over. There's nothing I can do about it, guys.
Fire Wizard. So let's define his behavior really quickly. We're going to start with planning things out so that I can code this. So... Fire Wizard. So what is he going to do? His behavior... I imagine we probably want to make it very similar to the wizard that's in Gungeon, which is... well... I don't know, actually, because the wizard that buffs buffs dudes in Gungeon aren't the ones that teleport. But I was thinking about making it so that this was the one that teleports away from you.
How would he...
I don't know, because that would be maybe a little annoying.
But how would he, like, teleport and heal at the same... Like, would he heal a random enemy but also teleport
He
around?
would probably buff an enemy until you hit him and then teleport, but I don't know if we want that. Probably not.
No, I don't.
Because I think
like
that'd be frustrating if you...
Because, like, I like the wizards where it's like if you shoot them or shoot near them, they, like, start running away.
Yeah. Yeah. I think we can probably do that.
And then they stop buffing.
So, yeah.
We could do that. Or what we could do is we could have them teleport, but they would buff enemies in, like, an area. So that way they stick near the other enemies.
No. I disagree.
Okay.
Because I think that they're...
I was thinking kind of like the warden from Deep Rock. Where
No, because I like one of the things that a lot of people brought up is a lot of the enemies come towards the player. So we should have more enemies that should force you to go out of your way and chase them down.
Yeah. But do we also want to avoid them just like... Because currently there are enemies that you have to go chase down, but it's enemies that just get stuck on a corner. So like we want to make them actually give you a reason to chase them down before you kill like the other enemies.
Yeah.
Because I mean there is like the hive, which is kind of counts. As,
he does, yeah.
I think the hive should have a little more health too, because he should kind of act as like a tank a little bit.
Yeah.
At least be tankier than like the little guys. Because right now I think he has like... How much else does he have? I'm thinking.
60? Or is it 50?
Fire Goober Hive stats. Yeah, 60. I'm pretty sure it's the same as the ground guy.
It is, yeah.
So it should definitely be higher. It should be like 80 or 100.
Also, yeah, I don't really care too much about the people being mean, by the way. Freedom and Robot Doge.
I'll kill them if they get too annoying.
Yeah.
Because Biddy doesn't like...
I don't like confrontation, but also, like, it doesn't bother me too much. I mean, it kind of does sometimes, but as long as they don't, like... As long as they don't hit... I've got 99% resistance to comments like that, unless they happen to hit one of my insecurity spots, at which point it's like a one-hit KO. And it's like, fuck.
Yeah. Oop, wait, no, I don't want the bones to wiggle.
No wiggly bones. Damn. One hit runs away. That's rough. Yeah, fuck it. That's fine enough. Ground enemy fire. This is newer on disc. No, it isn't. We just got here, dude. We just got here, man. Let's do this. So he will have, we'll call you Fire Wizard, and I'm going to replace your texture with something else so that you are very clearly not this guy. Fire. Found it. Okay, cool. Thoughts on the new enemy, JW?
Where? What? Where? Let me see. Where? Oh, nice.
Yeah. Let me actually... I'm gonna scale this down so it's the correct size. And then... he will have a ground movement driver. He will not have... Well, he will run away from you, right? That's what we want. Like, he won't fly away. I mean, he shouldn't fly away, actually.
We could make him... We could even just make him like a little stationary object that kind of just like sits there on the ground or something.
I don't know. I kind of like the running away guy.
Okay. We could have that then.
I also think
he like runs away on the ground though.
Yeah, the guy in Gungeon's also really funny. Whenever you kill all of the enemies that aren't him, he just kind of stands there stupidly until you hit him, and then I think he runs after you.
Yeah, I think he still just runs away.
He's a goober. So he will not have enemy slash. He will have Gib spawner. He will have health reactive spawner. Enemy drop handler. Tile map. Tile navigation agent. We'll have player movement. We'll have event. Okay, 6. So the only things that it will need to change are his aim and attack states do not exist. Kind of. Maybe we'll come back and... Actually, he probably will have an attack state, because in his mind, attack would be like... I'll have to think about that, actually. I don't know if he'll have an... I could just reuse these and make the attack like the thing that buffs.
Yeah, I would make like a buff state, yeah.
And then like the attack finish, quote unquote, finishes whenever he takes damage. I could probably do that. I could totally do that. Yeah, I could do that.
You could totally do that.
So the thing that's gonna change, oh lord, I forgot all of this shit that's in here. Okay, here's what I can do. Because I think I have get target. So let's get rid of all the references to the player in here. So that instead it can just be a get target. Let me also break these into some functions that are a little bit easier to work with. So this gets the next target, it gets the next path point, it builds it towards that. Sure, pathfinding. Most of this is... I wonder. I'm gonna do something potentially evil. I'm just gonna extend the script with something called like round target nav. Sure. And I think all I need to do is like override the function called get target. And then it'll just like I'll return out like I don't know, man.
He's doing evil things again.
I don't think I'm even doing that much evil stuff, to be honest with you.
It's pretty evil to him.
It's like not that evil.
It's kind of evil.
Hold on. Hold on. You don't even know what I'm doing. What do you mean it's evil? You don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Bastard. Evil, man.
Evil.
Fuck, I should play through Terraria again. New update came out. So we move into the aim state. We get the attack. Okay, so it does need an attack, which is fine. And then we do a prepare attack, which is fine. And then when are we exiting the state? I have a time, right? I do have a time.
Wait, Biddy, what's the name of the keybind for selecting the card? For right click, what's the keybind?
Activate card.
Activate card. No?
Yeah.
It's the left click.
Activate card is right click.
Oh wait, no, it is activate card, yeah. I was just looking
left click
at,
is standard attack.
Here, but this is, yeah.
Yeah, most of the things that are up there, don't worry too much about it. The things that matter are the card to select, the input text and selection text. Card to select is the card that you want them to select whenever you're in the final tutorial menu. And then yeah.
Is there a way to reuse this thing with the getting the text thing? Getting the image of the the input prompt, because I want to use that for one of the these pop-ups? I mean, I guess I could just use the...
No, you can use it. It's I made it a method that you can just like pass a string into and it'll parse it out. And it'll output a string that's ready for rich text label.
Okay. Yeah. I'm just gonna pop up then.
What am I doing?
Here, I'll use
attack. So what I could have is I could have a node 2D, which is
so EPF.
a wizard buff. Like the fire buff, we'll call it. Fuck it. Enemy. Yeah, we'll just call it fire buff attack. Sure. Actually, we need a class name. So you extend enemy attack. You're going to have two functions, which are prepare attack and do attack. I think those are the only ones that I actually need to do. Because I believe finish preparation's called at the end, right? Maybe not.
What's the method called?
Util dot parse input string. I think it's called.
Parse
input actions. Input actions.
Parse input action.
Keywords is the one. Keywords is I need to make it a little bit better, but that's the one for doing like exhaust and like allowing you to pop that up in a tooltip.
How do I do? It's export.
Export multi-line. You also can't use the word text because that's a built-in variable for rich text labels.
Oh yeah.
You can also just like. I mean, you've got the text field right there. You could just read the text field from the rich text label if you wanted to.
Oh, yeah, I guess you're right.
You could say, like, text equals... And then, yeah. I would say do text equals instead of add text.
Okay. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm trying to make an animation of a polar bear for walking for hours now. I don't believe they exist anymore. Did they ever exist?
This is true. They don't.
You could
exist.
just make the say like polar bear in a snowstorm walking, and then just put it in the like just make a purely white image. People won't know the difference. It'll be fine. What's the objective for today's stream? It's a great question. I wanted to add an enemy, and I'm kind of doing that very slowly. I need to remember how these attacks work. Finish preparation, attack prepared documents. Is this actually being used anywhere? Kind of. On prepare finished. Transition to attack. Okay, I see. Oh, okay, so aim time actually doesn't inherently matter. Aim time is specifically for this thing. Okay, I understand. So what I can do is prepare attack, and then I can say export var charge time. Say is a second, or yeah, sure. Do I have a actually current time? I don't. Are you finish? Preparation is not being used. What? Enemy slash. Oh, because that's being called through an animation. I see. Current time, 0 seconds. I don't remember if this has a super function. Totally doesn't. Finish operation. That would emit multiple times potentially.
Why doesn't it have the image?
What's up?
Oh wait,
You set it to like pause.
What?
Like what did you? Yeah, press escape to open the thing. Yeah, because
Yeah,
pause
pause.
doesn't have a. That's just like the escape, like the name. I haven't added it for key binding yet, but I will be doing that at some point, most likely, instead of just having it be the letter. What's the question? What's the confusion? I mean.
Okay. I don't know. I don't know why it doesn't work. I don't know what it's.
So it's because we don't.
Okay, I see. So it works here.
Yeah, it works for controller because for controller we're grabbing the glyph, but for keybinds, for keyboard stuff, since a lot of it's just letters, right now it's just using letters because that's what the keyboard remapping thing used. And I haven't added all of the images for the keyboard buttons into a place that's easy to use yet.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine.
So yeah,
it's fine for now. Yeah. That'll work.
And if you just like keep that string in there, if we ever go back and add the glyphs in for that, it'll update that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, what does this look like if I try to spawn the stickhead in? Actually, he's not going to spawn in because I haven't told him to spawn in yet. Debug menu.tcn. What do we want to do for the enemy buff? Do we want it to just like pick an enemy at random?
Yes.
Okay.
I would think so.
Wait, what do we want that buff to do?
I think just increased health, probably. Pretty sure that's what Gungeon does.
Increased health.
Not that we have to always
damage.
do what Gungeon does, but. Ooh,
because increased health might be a little weird.
Probably reduced damage would make it easier to tell that there's a buff.
Yeah.
Maybe we could have like a little shield icon over their head.
Mm-hmm. Oh shit, that's weird. Oh, that's really weird. Oh, that feels bizarre. I don't like
bizarre
him.
Is that another line? Right?
I don't like him. I don't like him. I really don't like him. I don't like the way he's moving. You didn't see him walk around. It's weird.
Oh.
If you take a look at my screen, I'm gonna fucking...
I'm looking at your screen.
Target nav. Oh, this is so weird. I'm gonna move him to like... I don't know, something to the left, like minus 500. Is he gonna walk now? Oh, it's so weird. Oh, it's so weird.
It's beautiful.
Dude, horizontally flipped boy kisser feels wrong. And I don't know why. Okay, why are you not transitioning to the aim state, actually? I'm just curious. I feel like you should be. Oh, wait. What the fuck? What are your... Where's 0, 0? I thought 0, 0 was like right here. Am I like going insane for that one?
Oh, don't even know where 0, 0 is.
This is apparently correct. What the hell? Wait, where is 0, 0? Let's see. Conference enemy dot global position. Oh yeah, no. That makes sense. What's a good way for me to set
It's gonna break. It's gonna break. What if instead of Dante's 9, it was called Deadlock, and we were playing it right now?
What if instead of Dante's 9, it was called Dante's 6-7, and instead of...
Actually, wait, it's Tuesday, isn't it, right? So I get my Counter-Strike weeklies today.
I don't understand how I feel like you get your Counter-Strike weeklies multiple times a week, but...
I don't.
Weird. It's very weird. It feels like you do.
What do you mean?
I don't know. I don't know how to describe it.
Well, I don't usually. Sometimes I do it all on Tuesday, but you have to play like a few games to get them usually. Because you have to like win too, which I'm not good at doing, as you know.
Yeah, that's true actually.
I'm very good at Counter-Strike.
Oh, how do I want to set his target actually? I need him to pass information alongside his information. Like, he needs to know if I... Oh, this is like the annoying part of AI is I need to like think about this. Like, enemy AI is so fucking...
AI?
No, not that kind of
This guy
AI.
loves AI.
No, not that kind of AI. So he's like here, obviously. I need to tell him, like, whenever he decides to go here, where does that get decided?
Oh, wait.
Because that wouldn't be inside of his follow state. It wouldn't be in the wander state. It would be when he takes damage. He would choose a spot. But like, what is that spot? Oh, wait. Wait, I just thought about something. Okay, I forgot it. I'm just kidding. But like, wait a minute. I could...
Something's weird about the map on controller.
What is? What about it?
So I click on this. I'm going to hold right on the stick. I'm holding... Oh, it didn't do it that time. That's weird.
Okay.
I go here and hold left. It like snaps. I'm still holding left right now. I don't know what it's doing. So I do that, and then I'm holding right, and then it like does a weird snap thing. I don't know what it's doing.
Yeah, weird. I'd probably want to... I actually kind of want to rewrite some of the minimap stuff, because
Yeah,
it's a little funky.
we definitely need to play test on controller more.
A little
There's
bit.
a lot of weird stuff. And I feel like, especially on controller, input prompts here would be very useful.
Yeah.
Like even just like in the bottom right or something, just telling you how to move around and select. So I feel like it's also the input here is wrong.
Huh?
It could just be because let me check the input map. Is there one for map? Oh, there is. Okay. Yeah, okay, because I was using the inventory button, which is tab, but it's also tab, but it's okay. It's just because I was using the wrong thing.
What do you mean tab is the inventory button? What the fuck are you talking about?
I don't know. Well, because we don't use inventory, we use like.
Oh yeah, we use
menu or
pause. Yeah, inventory's
Yeah.
not. Yeah.
But there's inventory, which isn't used, but it's also tab, but then it's the start button on the controller.
What?
It's weird.
It was...
Yeah.
When the fuck was inventory added? I don't know if I've ever used it. That...
I don't know. As you probably added it. It's probably all your fault.
There are no references to inventory string in here. I'm gonna...
When in doubt,
curious.
blame Bitlytic.
Actually, I get inventory.
You know what? I'm gonna play
JW
this in controller for the rest of the
11
stream
months
and find
ago,
a bunch of things that
stream
are
improved
broken.
cards. It wasn't me that added it. This was before I joined the
wasn't me.
project. This was before I joined the project, you motherfucker. You'd get blamed, my beloved. Where do I want to decide this from? I need to just like pick a spot, bucket, node, enemy, image, well, no. I need you to know about this enemy info. I guess I could use this, actually. I could use this structure that I don't use ever. Where's the... How does this thing work again? I did something... Okay, enemy info is this thing. Okay, I understand. I remember. So, fire wizard info. Instance enemy info.
Oh, that's supposed to happen. Yeah, that's not supposed to happen. Oh, this doesn't work either. Biddy, your thing doesn't work in controller, by the way.
What are you talking about? It doesn't work in controller, by the way.
I'm holding down left, and then it just disappears.
Oh yeah, that was something that I was showing you yesterday, and it did something weird. I don't know what the fuck is up with that, to be honest.
Yeah, and then also there's still the issue where now I can't select cards. I'm moving my left stick around. It's not doing anything. I can't use my bumpers.
Yeah. Are you holding down?
I'm guessing. No.
Well, select card is bound to right stick, so.
Well, now it's working. Very nice.
You said you couldn't use it doing left stick. Yeah. Left stick wasn't the correct
I know. I was using right stick. Is what I
okay.
meant. Sorry, left stick. Left stick was not doing anything. And hello. It's also. Oh wait. Oh, because I had to. Yeah.
Hi, Callie. What's up? What you want?
I feel like maybe the hand should only go down if you press down on the stick instead of just releasing it.
It should only do it if you go down on the stick. What?
I'm pressing up. I'm letting go. Pressing up, let go. Okay, I'm not going down at all. I mean, it could just be like I'm very slowly moving it down. So
why is it going down? Yeah, it's not so. Okay, I thought I coded it so it wouldn't. I thought it was if you let go.
I thought that felt weird. I was like,
oops. Weird.
Yeah. And then also now my bumpers aren't working to select cards. Are they bound? Yes, they are. Let me see if I reset to default. Okay, no, it still doesn't work. Still doesn't work. Don't know why it doesn't work, to be honest. Yeah, maybe that's something you could work on.
What's up with it? What's not working?
I can't use my bumpers to select cards. I mean, I don't have cards right now, but
Can't bumper select cards. What?
Yeah. Redeal cards. I'm pressing bumpers, nothing's happening.
Oh, you're right, and I think I may know why. Wait, what?
Yeah, I don't know either. And then before the right stick wasn't working, but now it's working, and I don't know what caused it to work.
Oh, I think I know what's going on here.
Do you?
Yeah, I'm gonna put a do note here because I.
Okay. Yeah, there's always some weirdness with the controlling. Also, the The reticle on controller is also a little weird. It like bounces around strangely.
Yeah, because it maps to like your joystick, and then whenever you let go, it goes back out to a max distance. I don't know what we want to do with it.
I think it should only like it should stay at this position, and then maybe stretch out a little more if you like the.
It should have
the
like a minimum
resting
distance. Is
point
that what you're trying to
should-
say?
Yeah, the resting point should be the minimum distance, and it only goes farther. So like maybe it's a little closer by yeah. So it should be
The
like
way you
this,
said that
and then I
is
would
like
expect it.
terrible, but I understand what you're saying.
Yeah,
It should not
have
come
you-
closer
have you
to the
talked to me
player.
before?
It should be
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
It should have a minimum distance.
Yeah, because right now it's like if I barely touch it, it like goes way in and then goes back out, which is like weird.
Yeah. Okay, back to the enemy guy. What's going on with you? So you aren't going to work because this needs to have.
I'll probably do when I play test. I'll probably see if I can get some people to do it on controller and some on keyboard, so we can see how that goes.
Yeah. I need you to have a Lee. Well.
Oh. What happened here? Why'd you break? Hello? Oh, there we go.
Oh.
Bounds get index 0 on array controller binding.
What's the string that you passed in?
Open map.
Is it called open map?
Maybe.
Why did you put open map? There's no way it's called open map. It's not called open.
It's toggle mini map. That's what it's called. I don't know.
I don't know why you put an open map.
How am I supposed to know?
Or just put an open map. He's
That's
like,
what I
fuck it.
thought it was.
Must be it.
I thought that's what it was. I thought that's
Roguelike
what I
ass
read.
development. Randomly generated strings every single time.
Yep.
Do I want to have a... Yeah, I think I'll do this for now. I'll have this as like a FB handler. That way that this runs away. Now I'm like thinking about this. I'm like, I don't know how I want this to be. I think for now I'll put this so that this has to be for the fucking wizard guy. I think ideally this would be generic at some point, but I don't know what I want this to look like.
Oh, now I can't use the right stick again. Oh, wait. I was about to say, why can't I equip this card? That's because it's the, I don't know what was causing it to not work before. I'm trying to think.
Are you by chance accidentally hitting your mouse at all?
No, like I'm on controller. If you look, there's controller binding there. That's It's always controller. Using right stick bumpers, neither of them work.
If you were to like
What?
bump your mouse, or well, go back into the game and then try it again before bumping your mouse. Okay, or
Try it. Okay, not
brother,
working.
you might be like
What?
stupid as fuck.
Oh, there we go. It does work.
You-
What?
I gave you the most clear instructions of try it before hitting your mouse, and I see you hit your mouse and then use it. Because I wanted you, before you pause the game, I wanted you to try it, see it not work, and then bump your mouse, and then have you try it and see if that fixes it. And you just...
Yeah.
I'm assuming
So
that's the issue.
is something with the mouse.
I'm assuming
I
that's
think it's
it.
because yeah. So now this does work. Let me see if I restart it and see if we can recreate it. Sorry, I'm bad.
I'm gonna lose my mind of hitting the before you do this, do this.
You
and
gotta
you just
gotta say it faster so I
I
have time to
said it.
register.
There were like 3 seconds before you did anything, and I just see your cursor
That's
teleport, and I'm
not
like,
even
oh
I
my
need
lord.
at least 10 seconds. How does the cat play cards? I don't know.
He like picks them up and puts them on the table. What do you mean?
Yeah.
Who needs dumb playtesters when you have dumb developers?
Sure. So true.
Okay, so right stick does not work.
Okay.
It does not work.
Okay.
If I touch my mouse, and then I try doing it. No, wait, I didn't press left trigger. There we go.
Okay.
It does work.
Cool. All right, write that down, please.
But the bumpers still don't work.
The bumper's not going to work.
Let's see.
The bumper's not going to work.
Okay, yeah, bumper's not going to work. I wasn't sure if it's something with a scroll wheel.
No, it's because the way that the scroll wheel works before, I had to change it because scrolling wasn't as reactive as it should be. And so I made it use like user input like events for scroll wheel, but I didn't realize that the controller wasn't already handling scrolling on its own, so it removed the scrolling thing.
Okay. And then there's also an issue where there's I don't know if it's the same on. Yeah, it's hard to test because my mouse scroll wheel is really bad and sometimes skips. Can you test this? I feel like you have to scroll twice on the last card. So like if I'm scrolling here, I get to the auto turret, I scroll once, and then I have to scroll again to loop again. And I noticed the same thing on controller. But I am not certain. I am certain it was doing that on controller with the bumpers, but I can't tell on the mouse because here I can actually rebind it to test that now that I think about it. So it's not my scroll wheel.
I don't know how to tell you this.
Can I not do that?
You may be able to, but
binding for
that. You can.
Oh, is it card select left and right?
No, but you can try that. I don't know what those will. It's the answer is that will not work. That will not work. Hold on, let me look at this. Hard select left, hard select right. Mouse 4, mouse 5. What the fuck do you mean? What is? Oh,
I mean, I think that is.
Yeah, scroll wheel is mouse 4 and mouse 5. That's weird.
So I don't know.
Yeah, you can bind it to.
Doesn't work if I bind it to something.
Yeah,
else.
it has to be a mouse button. Do you have side mouse buttons?
Oh yeah, I do. Why does
it? For right now, it's an issue. It'll be solved by the other controller thing.
Yeah. So when I get to this last card, I click again. Nothing happens. So I'm clicking, click, 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 click. So you have to click twice to cycle through, and I think it's the same with the other direction. Yeah. So there's like an imaginary card on this end that doesn't exist.
The way that you explain,
so like I'm pressing forward
is really funny.
I don't know how to explain this. I'm clicking back and forth right now, and nothing's happening. So I'm like forward, back.
Yeah.
And nothing's doing anything. So that's also. Also, Black Shift, I did not say hello to you. I just said that I don't know how cats play cards. But welcome in, Twin. We're doing stuff as we do. I'm explaining things very well. In very easy to understand ways.
I really did think that I thought that I fixed this. What the fuck? Whatever.
Yeah, also, now that I'm thinking about this, what do we do about input bindings that have multiple inputs? So like this is N.
Yeah. Whatever the first one
like
is.
you're gonna use tab most of the time. Oh, okay, it's whatever the first one is.
Yeah.
Then I'll set that so tab's the first one.
Yeah. Can you also fix that typo, please?
What typo?
What typo?
Is there a typo?
Yes, there's a typo. Read it.
Oh, I see. Okay.
What? Did you see it?
I got it.
Okay.
I got it. Don't worry about it. Quinn. I can read.
Oh. Because you have the thing running on ready. You updated the text.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just sitting here staring at nothing. I need to do things.
Fix hand card selection.
I'm doing something else right now. Please, for the love of God, let me write this wizard.
No wizard for you.
No wizard for me. Fuck, it's so over.
What if I open up the hand selection code and I fix it?
If you want to, you're more than welcome to. Good luck.
Okay, there we go. It wasn't letting me do it on. Wait. No, was it? I feel like oh wait, I think I don't know what's going on anymore.
Yeah, no,
don't
that's
worry
okay.
About it. Oh, it's still saying M.
Do you have a binding in your, like, your controls? If you go to your controls, like, in the game. Yeah, M is the first one there.
It's M and tab.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So if I reset to default, okay, there we go. Yeah, there we go.
I'm actually hella surprised that that updated in real time. That's fucking weird.
I kind of am too.
I have no idea how it did that.
Yeah.
I actually have no clue.
I'm going to get it.
What the fuck did...
Oh, another thing I wanted to...
Okay, you know what? Let's fix this card selection thing, actually.
You can, actually, I messed this up. You can beat this room if you use the, thing, the slot machine, and then shoot the dummy, and then you can skip the tutorial. So I should probably not make that a slot machine.
Probably not, yeah. You can also beat the tutorial by just, like, running up to the dummy and hitting it.
I mean, yeah, that's true too, but like...
Honestly, if someone beats the tutorial by using the slot machine and then selecting the card, that's kind of fine, because... Also,
yeah, that is fine.
Also, shouldn't the card be given to you only whenever you reach into, like, step into the area?
Yeah, I just didn't implement that. I'll do that right now. I keep remembering to do that, and then I don't do it, and then I...
Yeah, real.
So I'll do that right now.
Oh, hi, Callie. Hi, baby. What's up? Hi, sweet creature. She's like, I don't understand. Why is the bed in the living room? What the hell's going on? Why can't I get into the bedroom?
Guess what I'm gonna do? I'm going to put this here.
Hi, sweet girl. Yeah. What are you meowing at me for? What's up? She's like, I don't get this. She's like, why can I lie on the pillow and be near you while you're on computer? What the fuck? She's like, my two nap spots are right next to each other.
I'm napping right now.
What's going wrong with this? I know what's going wrong with this. I don't know what's going wrong with this. Oh, hi. Why are we tapping me? What's up? Sweet feature. Scroll selection. If I subtract 1 from this, will this work? Hopefully this doesn't like... Oh, oops. Allie, what's up? Why are we... It was such a terrible decision. She can now sit on the bed and tap me from there.
Wait, now that I'm thinking about it, I do have the thing right here that like tells you that you got dealt cards and then says to open your inventory to see what they do.
Yeah.
But if you don't get the cards until you go in here, then like these are weird.
Oh. Change them, I don't know. I don't know what we want to do with it. Hi, sweet girl.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
I see. Kind of. Does this only happen on specific card counts then? No, this happens on...
I don't know. I kind of liked it better before, but I do see.
You liked what better before?
I liked having the signs there that told you like what the card types were, and that you could like see what they do before you use them. I think it's fine because you'll always still have all 3 cards for the tutorial. Like even if you do use the auto turret, it'll come back. I think we keep it like it was before. We can do some playtesting, and if like we see people mess up with that, we can change it. Yeah.
I don't. What? What? I don't understand why this is not. Hold on. Dude, this card selection thing is like. It's changed to 0.57, 0.71, 0.85, and then it goes up to 1, which puts it down to 0, and then now we're back up here. Oh, you know what? I could put it in the Hold on. I could put this in the center of the card. What's the center of the card actually? So, like the ratio, it should be running like every frame, right? Yeah. This card maps from 0.8 to. That's weird. That's like a. Wait, what? Oh shit, I might be like evil as fuck. Something's wrong here.
Uh-oh.
So the first card gets the range 0 to 0.7? Or 0 to 0.07. Whereas the last card gets the range from 1 all the way down to 0.78 or 79 or so. That's like a hella long range. And this one only gets from 0.66 up to 0.78. 0.22 all the way up to 0.35. Yeah, okay, I guess they're mostly. I think it's just that this card gets double the range and this card gets half the range, which is a problem. I was wondering why don't you guys have a donate button to support the project? I don't know. JW, that's why don't we?
Is that my job? What? I don't know. Because I didn't make one.
Okay.
Because I didn't think people want to give us money. I mean, if you want to give us money,
yeah,
I can make a button.
Yeah, I also don't have like, I'm not a particularly money focused person in general, so I tend to not think about things like that too much.
I'm broke.
No, you're not. You literally aren't.
I mean, yeah, you're right.
I mean, like in the most tech, like you don't have like, you're not making a ton of money, but you also like live with your parents.
Yeah,
so
I'm not broke, guys.
Like I guess live with your parents sounds so negative. You live at home, which feels more like. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of hate that live with your parents is like a negative thing as well.
Yeah.
I mean, I kind of get it. I wouldn't want to live with my parents, but that's mainly because my parents live in bumfuck nowhere and I don't have internet there. That's good. But
yeah.
Plus I like living
in the middle of internet land and I still have terrible internet, so.
Yeah. But yeah,
relatively terrible.
yeah, we don't.
It's not bad.
I don't really think about money, so that's not something I've ever really proposed. That's also why I don't have stream ads on my stream or like on YouTube or Twitch. Because I don't get too much. But how are we surviving without income? We both have jobs, like that are not.
Unfortunately.
Not this game dev stuff. We're kind of just doing game dev for fun-ish. Oh, fun asterisk.
Yeah. Maybe I'll set up something at some point. Because I do need more money. Because I do want to move out at some point.
I wish money wasn't such like a required thing.
Yeah, this is true.
It indexes.
Yeah, I work at a coffee shop, so I like... I enjoy the job, but it does not make a ton of money.
Oh, I see what's going on here, I think. Round-eyed is deck.hand.size times selected hand ratio, which is great.
JW poisoned my coffee once. No, I didn't.
JW poisoned my coffee twice.
That was actually 3 times. Wait.
Oh, shit, I didn't detect one of them? What the fuck?
Yeah.
Evil. Evil creature. Okay, does this fix some of the clamping issues? So now 0 to... no, that's not any different. What the fuck?
Hit up that donate button so I can help you guys out.
No.
Okay. What should I set it up on?
Oh, dude, this motherfucker's immediately like... like, money, 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 money.
I need
no, I get it.
$5.
I get it.
That's 2 Counter-Strike cases right there.
Okay. Just like a reminder, if you do ever donate, this motherfucker will use it on Counter-Strike cases, and that's something you're gonna have to live with.
And Dr. Pepper, but
and
yeah,
Dr. Pepper.
mostly Counter-Strike.
But only Counter-Strike.
Yeah, I have thought of what stuff we could potentially get some contract work for. I was thinking, I don't know. I want to write the music, I just don't know if it's practical. Because I keep trying to write the music and it's like, I don't like this. I'd even just like see if I can find somebody, because I know like a couple of composers that do good work. Just see if they could like make something that gets the vibe, and then I can copy some of the ideas. I don't know.
That's crazy. I get it. Yeah.
Yeah. Don't spend it on CS unless it's a very nice skin. You just got a knife? What knife did you get, Twin?
Oh no. Why is my brain not working for this? Like, why am I
have no clue.
Why am I like going insane over here? Can I just like use a remap? Can I do like remap selected ratio from 0 to 1 to deck.hand.size?
My brain is not working right now either. I'm gonna take a break and stand up for a minute. I just need a little break.
I want to play Deadlock.
I'll be back in just a minute. We can play Deadlock in a little bit.
Yeah.
I'll be right
after
back
work is done. Okay, hold on. That looks like that's way more evenly split. Wait, that might be evenly split. Okay, that doesn't fix the issue though. So the problem is, so instead of going to 0 to 0, instead of going to 0.0, which is what I'm doing here, whenever it wraps around, I should instead put this halfway to the selection thing. What is ratio step? Is this correct still? I guess ratio step. What I expect. I'm not looking at my screen right now. I would expect it to be somewhere around like 0.13, 0.15, something like that. Okay, that says 5. That's, or does it say 5? Does it say anything? Oh, it's only whenever I scroll. Okay, just kidding, it didn't even show. Okay, 0.16, that honestly makes a lot of sense. That seems about right. So when this wraps around, I would want this to be select ratio is equal to ratio step divided by 2 for both of these, which could just be a that or that. There's there, and then this will be 1 minus ratio step divided by 2. I think. So now whenever this wraps around, yeah, dude. Okay. That doesn't inherently solve the issue, though, because I think this would still have... Well... Oh, shit. That was weird. Okay, that doesn't solve the issue. Holy shit, is that Lucky? Hello, Lucky. How you doing? How's it going? How's it going? And I think the reason that that's an issue is because... I guess before I do this, I should have... Selected ratio is snap. F. Selected ratio. I want to snap this to ratio steps.
Alright, I'm back.
Oh, do I want to do that?
Is that Lucky?
Is that Lucky the Goat? It is Lucky the Goat.
Yeah. I watched like half of your inverse kinematics tutorial and I was like, I'm not gonna use this, so like...
It's crazy.
I'll watch it when I'll use it.
Or said I hate Lucky. That's
I think I was like playing a game or something, so I like wasn't really paying attention. So like
that checks out.
I'm sure it was very good. I just like watching a tutorial while doing something else usually doesn't go well unless you're working on whatever the tutorial is.
Was it a Godot inverse kinematics video?
Yeah.
I might actually check that out.
No, it was Unity.
Okay, dude.
Yeah, it's also very 3D focused.
Yeah,
which
I might check it out. I
do really want to mess with it sometimes, so I will watch it when I want to mess with it.
Yeah,
because I definitely will.
Yeah, I didn't know. I'm not super familiar with Godot's inverse kinematics like shit in 3D. I'm hoping that it's similar to Blender's, where it's like not hard to set up. You just set up the bones, and then actually, I wonder how a game engine does it. I don't think I've ever worked with IK in games or like setting it up. Is it like a bone constraint system? Do you just say like, I want this bone to be constrained to this IK target, and then like have a chain thing?
Watch the video.
You know what? I will. You know what? You're right. I will.
Watch Barty.
Shit. Flashbang. Lucky. Oh hey, this is like literally yesterday, day before.
Yeah.
So I want to take the world's quickest like talk through. Okay, so it's a marker armature skeleton. Okay, I imagine it doesn't look like. Are there really no custom scripts here? That's really fucking cool.
Oh really? That's cool.
I'm thinking so. Are these all nodes that are in Godot by default? CCDIK. Oh yeah, it is. Cool.
That's crazy.
Sorry, I'm leaving the audio off because I don't know if you're like me, but I know that whenever I've ever watched someone watch my videos on stream and I hear my voice, I just like start cringing.
I think that's just. But
that's just me. Okay, fair enough.
Yeah, I don't think this is. I think
really, it's that simple. Holy shit. Do you?
You just gotta be like goated with your voice. Your voice is great, twin.
Yeah, sick dude. Thanks, mate. I put someone to sleep earlier.
You do literally have like the S tier.
That's
tutorial voice.
I wonder. I'm actually gonna. Please tell me. Please click on this button. Please click on joints, please. I want to see what's in joints without opening it up myself. Do you ever click on joints? I'm curious what that does. Wait, what? Oh, is that multiple IK points? Whoa, Bezier curve. Holy shit. I fuck with that. click on joints. I want to see what's in that menu. Okay, I'm gonna go look in that menu really quickly. I'm adding a node 3D. Fuck, what was the node 3D that was in it? What was it?
I don't know.
Which IK was it? I'm gonna pray it was Spline IK. Oh shit, let's go. Oh, joints. Okay, sick. I'm glad. It doesn't do anything. Fabric? Oh, okay. That's so funny. All I wanted to see was what this joints drop down does, and it looks like it does nothing unless I have something set up. That's funny. I'm just thinking about like because in the way the Blender works is like you have your like you have the bone here, the bone here, the bone here. You know, it's like connected like so. And then you basically say like I guess I'll put another bone here. You say like you put a bone down, which is like your controller bone, and you say that like this bone right here has an IK constraint to this bone. And then you can say like by default it affects the entire mesh, but then you can change the chain properties so it's like one will only affect this bone, which will make it point towards this, or if you make it two, it will affect this bone and this bone, but like any further in the chain it wouldn't. And so I don't know if that's the thing that you can do in Godot, but I will definitely check that video out because I really like IK. I think IK is so cool. Like the procedural spider-ish thing that you did was really cool.
We're gonna add IK to Dante's.
That's what you showcased? Okay, that's fucking sick. That's like exactly what I would care about. What was I doing in Dante's 9? I was fixing the card selection. Teehee. Oopsies. Why are we broken again? What did I want this to do? So this kind of works. If I scroll all the way to the right, it doesn't work correctly. Let's see. And the problem with that is because of what? I need to snap this to... I want this to grab... Oh. I know what I can do. So this will give me my current selected index, and then I would like you... Oh. Step, selected ratio. That.
Guys been adding me on Discord so you can keep in touch. Yeah, there should be a Discord link to Biddy's server.
Oh yeah, in the description.
In the description.
Or you can just add me on Discord as well. It's just Bitlytic. Or Tempuricat Games is yours, I think.
Yeah, that works too. But we or at least I basically live in his server.
Yeah.
So we like hang out and
we'll be playing Deadlock later.
PC, play Counter-Strike. Yeah, we'll probably be on playing Deadlock or something.
We'll be playing Deadlock in about 20 minutes.
Yeah. Actually, I might play Counter-Strike because I need to get my weeklies.
Oh my god. You know what's actually crazy, JW? You've got an entire week to get those weeklies.
Yeah, but I want my 50 cent.
Yeah, but you're not going to have a whole week to play Deadlock before Apollo gets added, or...
Celeste is getting added.
What's the fucking,
There's literally
what's the guy's
zero
name?
chance
What's the
that
guy's
anybody
name?
else is.
Vindicator? What the fuck is the... What is his name?
I don't play Deadlock. I'll join you for CS though. Okay, bet.
What is his fucking name? What's the V guy's name that's getting added?
Virgil?
Not Virgil. It's not Dante's 9. Does Virgil still exist in this project? He does.
I mean, yeah, somewhere.
Look at him.
This fool.
Do I have to...
The fool.
Do I need to re-download CS?
You should probably do that.
Do I have CS installed? I don't know where the fuck my Steam is.
Probably do. I don't know why you would uninstall it. Like, that would be insane.
Yeah, I don't know. That's like probably one of the last games I would uninstall. Oh, dude, imagine right now the surprise if I looked on my computer and found I still had like Ark Survival Evolved installed or some shit.
That would be really fun.
Have you ever played Ark, or do you know how much space it takes up on your computer?
I played it on console a very long time ago.
The download.
That big?
The download is like 120 gigabytes for the base game.
That's insane.
And that doesn't even include like unzipped or whatever. It's such a fucking grossly, disgustingly large game. Okay, so this.
Yeah, I remember trying it. It was so bad.
Yeah, it's.
I think I
not
told
great.
you about the thing where, because like we were on console, of course, and this is when we were like younger, so we play local multiplayer, and Ark had local multiplayer.
Mhm.
I'm pretty sure I.
Yeah,
told you
yeah.
this, but I'll say it again.
You get
for
tethered,
for-
right?
No, it wasn't that. It was that the shadows from
Yeah.
each other person's screen would get overlaid on yours. Only the shadows. So like whatever shadows rendered on your screen would also show up on the other person's screen.
Yeah.
So it would just make it like unplayable.
Dude, Ark is so
Just
funny.
random dark spots everywhere. It's like, how does that even happen? How is it only the shadows?
Do you want to hear something crazy that's even worse?
Yes.
So have you ever thought, man, I wish we had split screen gaming, but like in the modern era? No, the answer is no. However, I played Ark with my ex, and what was really fun is I didn't set up a dedicated server. I just hit the host and play button, because in every other game, it's just the same as a dedicated server, except it's running on your computer while you're playing the game. Whatever. Ark is a little bit different, however, because I was marked as the host, and there was a radius around me of like 100 meters, where if my ex ever stepped out of that range, they were pulled back towards me, so they couldn't go more than 100 meters away from me.
Why?
Because the game is like, oh, we don't want someone to go more than 100 meters away from the host, because that means the host would have to render more, like, of the world. More of the world would have to get simulated.
Oh, well, it's...
Yes,
that's so
it was
bad.
really bad. It was so bad.
It's like in Lego Star Wars when you go off the screen and it
Yes.
drags the other person along.
So that's what I'm talking about. It was exactly that. But imagine, like,
funny.
we're playing like Hytale or Minecraft or some shit, and all of a sudden you're like, I'm gonna go down in this cave, and you just get yoinked up to the ceiling because I decided to go up a ladder.
So funny.
You know, it's really bad. Okay, I fixed the card selection thing, by the way.
Yeah, let's go.
I say fixed, I mean I hope I fixed it. And I think that's all we can ask for me, is that this might work.
Yeah.
And let me make the controller thing work as well. I actually don't know how I want to do this. Because, also, Lucky, I love Rust with the asterisk of, like, I love thinking about playing Rust, and I love the concept of playing Rust. But then, like, getting into Rust, I'm like, I have to, like, sync it up with some servers reset, and I have to hope that it's a good time. And, like, I'm like, okay, well, if I miss a day, I'm probably gonna get offlined. But, like, I played Rust with a couple of friends, like, a few years back, and it was so fun. It was so fun. Like, when you're in a Rust mood, Rust is so fucking fun. What am I doing? What am I doing in this file? What the fuck am I doing here? Get me out of here. Handle scrolling. So I need this. Handle scrolling is called where? Handle scrolling is at the start of physics process. If I were to look up here in the unhandled input function, which is in the mouse card selector. This might be like a mistake. This might be like kind of gross. Let's find out. Scroll handled. Yeah, we'll just do scroll handled. If scroll handled. that. Well, no, actually, yeah, I'll do this because I always want to call this function. If there's no mouse event that happened this frame, we'll return. If there is, however, then I will say scroll handled equals true on either of these. And then inside of the base card selector, I have to kind of hope which direction this happens in. I may have to flip this around if this happens, if input then physics or physics versus input. If not, scroll handled. Oh, this needs to be on the base class. Oopsies, oopsies. I know what I'm doing. I can code. If we haven't handled that, we'll handle scrolling, and at the end of the physics frame, I guess after this, I would like to say handled equals false, which gives us another frame to go back to it, perhaps. Ugh, that might be a little rough. We'll find out though. I just don't want it to double scroll the cards. So I'm on AK. If I scroll down, it should go up, beehive. Okay, 6. That might be working. Let's see if this works with the controller. Oh no, I'm so stupid. I'm so dumb. This doesn't do anything. This function's literally doing nothing. Hands. Hand up. Dude, why do we have to eat so much food? I hate this shit.
He's so real. This is so fun.
Okay, so this scrolls down only once. Okay, and this scrolls the wrong way, however. And down. And up. Yeah, and then if I were to bind, like, scroll to, like, arrow key up and arrow key down. Yeah, okay, so that works still. And then this works as well without double scrolling. Let me make sure that that fix actually worked. So if I were to go into base card selector and then right here, if I were to remove this, this should now double scroll. It does. Sick. Okay. Okay. Controller scrolling is back in JW. Yay.
Okay, tough.
Is the bug fixed that you saw earlier? No.
Oh.
It's fine. I can actually probably fix that right now. Mayhaps. I think I know what's causing it. Yeah, I know what's happening. If controls, that is controller input. Let me actually,
just adding some little things, like I added a sign in the first stream where you attack that says that the scratch is, like, weak, but you can always use it. So that way it's clear that, like, this is not your main attack. And then I also changed the equipment sign so it says that it overrides your standard attack. So that way it's clear that if you equip a card, it takes over your attack button.
Make sure this works. So now, so I'm not able to use my right stick to move this. However, Let me do this fix, and then hopefully I should be able to. Always make sure to confirm your bugs. Make sure you can replicate them and you're not just doing fixes for fixes' sake.
I also added color to your to the auto turret text on the tier, so it's very clear that that's what you select.
Yeah.
Before it was kind of hard to see.
Yeah, that's something I was thinking about maybe doing, but I was like, whatever. But I'm glad that you also thought about doing it and actually did it. I was focused more on the tool code stuff.
Yeah, that's what you're good at.
Oh. Okay, that works. There we go. So now this works. So the controller is your main card selector, and then if the mouse becomes active, go back to mouse, and then if we go back to controller. Yay! Okay. Cool. So those bugs are fixed. I'm actually glad that I took care of those because I think those are important. Yeah, I can tell you that the issue was that I was just defaulting the card selection to mouse selection, but and then it was whenever you swapped input modes, it correctly updated, so it would swap on the fly. But I was like kind of stupid, and I was like, oh yeah, you can start the game, enter into controller mode, and then begin the game, and you won't swap until later.
Yeah.
And also card scrolling works again, so yay.
Okay. Is the double
is eliminated?
switch?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I can show you as well.
Yeah, let me look it up.
So I'm gonna use my bumpers. So right bumper, right bumper, right bumper, right bumper, right bumper. Now we're on kunai. I'm gonna right bumper one more time. Goes to AK. I'm gonna go left bumper. We're on kunai. Left bumper again. Goes to knife. Left bumper. Right bumper. Right bumper. Right bumper.
Let's go.
I'm gonna do it one more time to op. So yeah, this looks like this works. It also, there was a very sneaky bug, which was if you put it on the corner here and then drop the paw down, it would be counted as like weird. So it would sometimes not allow you to move away from this, like in addition to the one that you had, just because like the where you're selected is stored as like a float rather than which card you're hovering. Just because.
Yeah, it's also nice. There's a little weirdness with like when you would let go of it. Sometimes it would like go to the right or like left, depending on where you were. It would like throw off what your selection is.
Yeah.
Did you change it that you have to move it down to deselect, or is it still okay?
Because I thought that I had that, but yeah, I can fix that.
Yeah, that's okay.
There's
one other thing I want to change. What was it? Thinking.
Oh, what's up?
Oh, okay. My Godot just randomly crashed.
It did that
I clicked on an
sometimes.
export variable and it was like, nah, you can't do that.
We don't do that here, buddy. Knock that off now.
Yeah.
Wait, why does that... What? Hold on, let's undo all of this and take this back to where it was. Was this set up in such a way that you could, like... Yeah, this, like, doesn't pick the card. What?
That's crazy.
Huh? Oh, wait, no, I might be... Oh, no, we're good. Oh, we're not. I lied. Wait, maybe I didn't. Maybe I didn't lie. Let me do the add all cards button. See if I can accurately move like between these and pick all of these cards. Well, that's a fun one. Oh, that's a good stem. I like that. Also, just like rotating between this does feel really good. I'm gonna make my jump button, I'm gonna make it Y. I'm playing Rivals. Oh, that's evil. I actually just... Making my jump button Y turned my brain into Rivals, and I pressed left trigger to short hop.
That's crazy. Biddy, I also found another small bug.
Sure.
If you, for some reason, use one of your other cards and use up your mana, and then try to select the auto turret for the tutorial, if you select it, even though you can't use it, it still counts as finishing the tutorial. Does that make sense?
Yeah, kinda.
So like if I use cards and then I go over here and then hold this down. No, if I held this down here and then selected the auto turret, even though I can't use it, even if I just let go, it still counts as selecting it for the tutorial. And then I also added signs over here for all of the different cards that you have, so that way you know what all the different things
Let's think about if that's an issue or not. It probably is.
Probably not. You guys are based in the USA, yeah.
Yeah. My home address is 7
East Coast.
Yeah.
My home address is 6-7 Dr. Pepper
Wow,
Street.
dude. Oh shit, sorry. Oh, jump scare. Yeah, here, I'll circle where JW is on the map really quickly.
Uh-oh.
I'm
scared.
Yeah, so there's this little area right here. He's right here.
No, that's not where
He
I
lives
live.
in
I don't live in
DC.
DC.
He lives in
I
DC.
live in Northern Virginia.
He lives in DC.
It's not DC. It's different. We're different. We're so unique and special.
So Nova. So people from Northern Virginia will say, "Yo, I'm in Northern Virginia." But then if someone's like, "Where are you from?" They're always like, "I'm just from like DC area. I'm just from DC."
No, I don't say that.
If you don't, and you go, "I'm from Nova," they're gonna
like,
kill you. Because
if I was like 30 minutes closer into DC, I would say DC.
You should just say DC.
No, not DC.
Okay, imagine this. Imagine this. You're at a grocery store. 80-year-old grandma walks up to you and says, "Where are you from, Sonny?" What do you say? Just kidding. You don't say anything because you'd be like, "I'm fine, thanks," and then you'd walk away.
Yeah.
You'd be like,
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Okay,
Tutorial 3. Look, it literally just knew what I wanted to open up.
That's crazy.
Actually, that's not what I wanted to open up.
Alright, I might be done working today.
Yeah, give me a second.
Let me
change one little thing.
Here, I also wanted to show you this whenever you get a moment. Or once the system. Oh, I'm so evil. I'm so evil.
I just wanted to add some extra text that says that,
Wait. Dude, JW.
Yep.
So this list of cards. So to get to this card menu, have you used any of the hotkeys for the debug menu yet?
No.
I do all the time. So I know doing CA opens up the card add menu. I was like, how could I make this even better? Well, duh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way down to 0, and then I can do QWERTY from there and wrap around the keyboard. Dude.
I hate that so much.
Wait a minute. Or I could just do ABC, whatever, but like, that's kind of fire. Because that means that if I wanted to like, I could like learn the relic keybinds and I could do like PR to player add relic, and then I would have the numbers and letters memorized.
What the heck is that emote that just got sent in your
Oh,
Twitch
what the fuck
chat?
is it? What is it? What are you?
I can't tell what that
What is that? What are you? What are you? Copy current address. I'm putting this in my browser. I'm finding what this is. Also, hello! Hi! Hi! Hi!
Bro joined right as we're about to end stream.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, this is...
Let me go find out what this fucking emote is. What are you?
Yep, so now
is
say
that
these
sock?
for the...
Is that a foot? Is it a foot?
No, that's a foot. That's not a foot.
Or is the... hoof? Or something? What the hell is this? My mind literally can't comprehend what this is. I'm opening it up in Sprite, and we're gonna go frame by frame.
Sprite is crazy.
Is it? Look at how easily that... Dude, that's actually crazy that it opened up so well. I'm so surprised.
Yeah, it's probably... It looks like a...
That's a hoof,
yeah, that's a hoof.
It's a hoof, because it's got like the...
Why is it doing that,
It's got like the toenail thing that's back here. I don't know what the fuck it's called. Like the extra digit. It's a deer?
It's a deer.
Oh,
yeah.
I think you're right. Yeah. Is it a deer?
You're right.
Who is this from? Let's go check out their channel and let's see if they are someone who's a furry with a deer avatar. Oh, yeah. Guess what? You'll never believe it. It's...
Hi, welcome to...
It's a furry with a deer avatar. Ding, 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 ding. That's funny. That's fire.
Slot machine.
Yeah.
Ding, ding. Anyways,
the fact that... Dude, I actually love these keybinds
cards
so much.
rainbow all of a sudden.
Huh?
Why are
Wait.
contemporary cards like so rainbow all of a sudden? They weren't like this before.
I don't know, but I've just thought of...
But they're kind of sick.
No, they are sick. I also just thought about it, and we haven't checked this. But these cards, the scale of them actually changes with your render quality, or with your video quality. I think.
Does it?
I think I made them do that.
Like the render scale? Oh, like the... Yeah. Like the scale, like the stickers and stuff, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, dude, they slow down whenever you hover over it? Wait a minute.
Wait, that's sick. I didn't even notice that.
Also, I absolutely love that the one that I rolled is the one with the negative sticker. It actually looks so cool. Yeah, you can see it's a lower quality because you can see the negative sticker's all crusty.
That's good, yeah.
And if I set this back to high... Dude, it looks so sick. I love this shit so much.
But, I added some context. Oh, hello, Master Liberty.
Oh,
Added some context to the signs here. So for the equipment card, it says that it overrides the standard attack. And then for the utility effect and summon, or whatever we want to call them, that's what I called them. It says that they trigger immediately upon use, so that way you know.
Yeah.
What the difference. So like, if you use this, it'll equip it. If you use this, it'll immediately use it.
Oh, did the game crash? Or oh no, your stream just froze. Can I just like point out something that I think you've become completely blind to, that every time I've looked at your screen has like kind of bothered me every single time?
Yeah, what?
It's that massive array of print statements that's just flying by every frame.
Oh, I thought you had gotten rid of it. I thought you were gonna
Yeah, I got rid of it on my end, but that doesn't mean... Dude, he's like, oh, you got rid of it on your end? I guess I could just like keep it on mine then forever. I don't know. I feel like... I mean, if it's not bothering you, it's fine. I'm just like... I would sit there and I'd be like, holy shit, I need to get rid of this. That was the first thing I did when I opened up the project. After pulling your changes, I was like, get out of here. Half-Life 2 doesn't use activity modifiers and it is whack? What do you mean? Where is it? What are these words? Okay, I'm going to teach you something really quickly, JW. Control-Shift-F.
Wait, no, I won't find it. I got it.
Oh my lord. Oh my god. You need to learn this. You need to learn this. This is important.
Oh, it's in the process function here. It's in the process function.
This is so important. Okay, you found it. Congratulations. Now before you delete it,
I don't need your
Control-Shift-F. Control-Shift-F.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just Control-Shift-F. Console up. Print. Tab. I guess 2 more times. SRC. Enter. You can just hit it.
I hit enter, it didn't work.
Yeah, because you're not...
Let's see if I can hit it.
No, you just need to be focused on any of the...
I did it! I got it!
Congratulations, man. Wow. Ding, 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 ding. Bro's playing fucking Mario Party. He just leveled himself up in chance time. But anyways, that's how you do it.
I haven't played Mario Party.
That checks out, actually. You need to learn how to use, like, you need to, like, keybinds and shit.
Yeah, I've literally never used tab to do that, by the way. Like, I would never do that.
Do you not use tab for anything ever?
I mean, I use it for, like, indentation.
Yeah, but, like, not for, like, switching focus?
Not usually.
What? Wait.
The only time I would do that is if I'm, like, filling out a form or something.
Okay, let's say, for a moment, you go to a website, it says login. Do you type your username in, hit tab, and then put your password? Or do you click the password field?
Well, usually I use a password manager that autofills it, but if I would probably just click.
That's insane.
It's like one click. It's not that hard.
No, but the problem isn't that it's one click. It's the fact that you're taking your hand off of your keyboard over to your mouse, moving your cursor up, clicking, and then you're moving your hand back.
It's so terrible.
But you could just move.
Will I do?
Okay, actually, JW, can you do me a favor real quick again? I'm just curious.
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to Control-Shift-F.
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to pay very close attention. Hit tab. Hit tab again. Hold down tab. Without taking your finger off, what finger are you holding right now?
Ring.
Ring? There's no way. Wait, what? Really?
Yeah.
Ring finger on tab. What's your pinky doing right now? Where's your pinky?
It's just like sitting off the side of the keyboard.
What? What?
What?
It's pinky. Pinky's the correct answer.
No, it's not.
It's 100% the correct answer. It is 100% the correct answer.
Evil.
You go. I go. Okay, I'll tell you right now what I'm about to do. I'm gonna put my screen back on. Okay, I'm gonna hit Control Shift F. My fingers are pinky Control, ring Shift, and then my pointer finger goes to F. And then I can do my, whatever typing.
Yeah,
Who
that's
fucking
fine.
cares?
That's fine.
Okay, and then I go tab, pinky, tab, pinky, tab, pinky, and then my right
Ew.
pinky hits Enter. There's no way you use ring finger for tab. This is why you suck at movement shooters, because your pinkies are weak. You can't press control.
I use it for like control.
Not well, apparently. Not well, you motherfucker.
All right, 1v1 me on Titanfall right now.
I'm not doing that. I'm not downloading Titanfall. I'm not going to say the words that I was going to say because Master Liberty's here, and I like having them in my chat. Because I think Master Liberty's pretty cool. Master Liberty, turn your ears off for a moment. Titanfall is fine, but the game is like kind of fast to play, mainly because everyone's like super tryhard.
All right.
What is 10 fast fingers?
You could also like play the campaign, which is also very fun.
Oh, it's just a typing test. This thing. I'd rather do monkey type, to be honest.
All right, monkey type 1v1 right now.
Monkey type 1v1. Are there 1v1s on monkey type?
Probably not.
I'll just.
All right, guys, what's it? I'm gonna lock in.
Hey. Mogged.
No.
Mogged.
It's okay. I just like missed a bunch in the middle.
Do you remember the time that you first found out about what monkey type was? And everyone was sending their typing scores. And I was so shocked by yours, and I went, I could probably beat this on mobile. And I did.
Yeah, unfortunate.
Okay, I think that's the end of the stream, though.
Yeah.
Also, it's not about cheating on typing. It's the fact that he used his ring finger to hit tab. But that's, like, evil behavior. Just, like, straight up evil behavior. I'm opening Steam so I can open Deadlock faster. I'm, like, frame 2ing this bitch. All right.
All right.
Thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for watching.
On Thursday.
We'll be back on Thursday. I don't know what
The tutorial will probably be done by then.
the tutorial's like
on
basically
Thursday.
done, right?
Yeah, I just need to make like the example room and like sticker,
Yeah.
which is easy for me to do. That's not hard.
Yeah. So the tutorial's like basically
All the
done.
complicated stuff is done. Yeah.
Oh, hello,
Right.
Steam. Hopefully this isn't something
Good
terrible
night.
that's gonna pop up. All right.
Everyone.
Good night, everyone.